Hello. Happy birthday, me. Oh. Sorry. Good morning. No. I have a baby. Baby next to me. Ooh. Hello. How you guys doing? How's everyone doing today? Ooh. Hello, Zoe. Hello, Zoe. Happy birthday, Bozo. Hello. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I'm getting old. How old? 35. 35 today, my brothers. We are getting old.
Hello, Cakez.
Now is the time to check. Home. Store page not live. Store page not live. Aye. So if we don't get access to the playtest today, I'm gonna hand out. And if I don't get the keys today either, which can happen. Request complete. We've gotten the keys, but it might take a while to update. Store page. This one is probably... You're not supposed to show events, Cakes.
Hello.
Events. Yeah, they are still reviewing the page. Not this one, the first one, the homepage. Like in the homepage. Happy birthday. Thank you very much, man. Mr. Lolboy. Happy birthday. Thank you, Genussnefocus. I appreciate it. Everyone, thank you guys. Yaki and Magetsap, good morning, you guys. Shade 11, who am I? In main return 0. Let's go, shall we? First. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna bring away Zoe. No. Say goodbye, Zoe. Say goodbye. Whee! Gib mir den Ball. Kapling! Kapling! Wait, I need to bring away the phone, of course. Let's go, shall we, my brothers? Wait, the 2 weeks thing is also for the playtest and demos? I don't know. We'll have to see. Because my page is online already. It's just that the playtest button should appear. What up? Hey, Mr. Amida, my man. How you doing, bro?
Cakes got 0 res.
Happy
and
birthday,
that
Cakes.
demo
Thank you,
is
thank you.
never dropping.
So the idea will be the following today, guys.
Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll
thank you,
be
AQ,
stronger.
my man.
Good game will sell nonetheless.
Please note you'll be...
the money will come to you.
Download Tangy TD demo? That should not be visible. But maybe it's because... maybe it's for me. Rating pending. Do you have... guys, can you go to this page, please, and tell me if we have the download demo button there? Or not? You don't have it? No, I don't have it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do today is if this takes too long, if I don't get keys in my email, let me check. If I don't get that, then I will put the demo itself that I currently have hidden. I will put that public. Everyone will be able to play it. And then at the end of the stream, I will make it private again, and I will wait for the playtest, improve together with your guys' feedback, make the game better for that private playtest, do the private playtest, leave it on for a week, make it private again, and then after that, with that feedback, that will be the last feedback, and then hopefully at the end of May, starting the new month, I will do a demo page. It will be a fully fledged demo page with everything that I want to have in the game. That's the idea. That's what I want to do. It does not look like Steamworks, status update. Get your keys. Oh, they are available to download. So I can give out keys already. Beta keys. I have 10 beta keys. Apparently. For beta testing. For the Cakez TD demo. It's still called Cakez TD. It's a bit annoying. But I might just make the entire game public for a couple of hours. No, I'm not releasing my demo twice. It's called a playtest.
Hope you have a good time, Cakez and chat Pepe Neil.
My man's 30 posts.
Countdown to next bad take, 30 seconds.
Okay.
Countdown to release, 37,458 days left.
I don't have it. There's no demo. I can't believe it, including a game trailer. The game trailer I will have to do in the next couple of weeks. I need another week for that. Let us already play? Yeah, but I'm gonna fix one last thing. You see this right here, the star? I want to animate these stars, and I want to give them a hover. Depending, when I hover over them, I want to show what they mean. That's the last thing I want to do on the list, and then I will either give out the keys. I have 10 keys, or I will just make the entire demo public and then ask someone to stream it on stream today if they want to. If no one wants to, that's fine too. If someone of you guys would like to play the game on stream while I watch you play through Discord, let me know. And you have never played the game. If you have never played the game. Birthday game today? Yes, game today. Negolos. Happy birthday. Thank you, Reticide. Thank you, Revolver Oliver. Thank you, guys. No demo now. Yeah, no demo now yet, but it will be there as well in a second. What I'm currently working on is this. I want this to plop up. And also, why is this not on? The star should be on top. This is the dark star. Oh, because it's supposed to do -1. There you go. I'm at work, but I would do it if I could. The clown is watching. There you go. So what I want to do with these stars is I want to animate them up using a duration. So ease out. I want to multiply that by 2. Then that's faster. Probably by 3 or something. Why is it not animating? It should animate. Why is it not animating? Wait, maybe because this needs to be in braces. You multiplied by 1, yeah. I have a day off today. When do you want to do it, Cakez? In about, let's say, an hour. Do you have time in an hour, Sturdy Pose? That would be amazing. You have not played the game yet, Mr. Sturdy Pose? Let's see here. Why is it not animating? Was it not animating it? It's so odd. It should animate this. Did that do that? That's a static here. It resets every time I reload. Why is this not? Yeah, now it is. Wait, what? So confused. There it is, yeah. And why does that not happen with 2? I didn't? Awesome. He played Cakez TD, but not Tangy TD. Nice, nice. Yeah, so we'll do that. This should be interesting. Yup. Oh, wait. Was that? Did I not see that? Why is it not animating? It is, but it starts out... -1.
Clear.
Maximum. Const float test. This is the last thing I want to do. I want to animate these stars one after one, boing, 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 depending on what I have unlocked. So I want to be boing, 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 to make it just look cool. That's all. It's a polished type of thing that I don't need to have, but I want to have it. Happy birthday, Tangy TD. How old is the game turning? 35, Mr. Kirdo. Thank you, man. Cakez, when can I play? I would appreciate a fully gameplay video with notes. Would you appreciate a fully gameplay video with notes? Yes, I would, Charisse. So if you play the game for the first time and you make a video of it, playing for the first time, and either you narrate it or you give notes afterwards, or maybe in the description of the video, totally, of course. Yes, yes. I would always appreciate that, because that's the best type of feedback. We want the baby. The baby is gone. Okay. Let me see. A test is... Wait, this is the maximum here. I wonder what that does here. Test. I want to see what this does. What is test since the star is not animating itself? It's 0, which it should be. But then it shouldn't show up because the ease out from test is 0. Ah, I see. I multiply that by 0 since it doesn't show up. I understand. So basically, if star 2t is greater than 0, that's when we draw that sprite. And we also... It's star, not start. Okay. There we go. Okay, that should work. And then since it's the second one, obviously we do -1. What did you do with the baby? Oh, she's with my wife. They're gonna go outside. So I can stream. Oh, but it... Wait. Huh? It should still draw this one, though. Why is this not showing? That's so weird. It should draw... It's the same type of issue that I had yesterday. Huh? Oh, I see. There you go. Hello, Tank XD. Good morning. And Ulas on YouTube. Good morning. Why do you use C++? Manly programmers program code in binary. They don't use a language. Yeah, but manly programmers also don't release a game, do they? Unless you are the one that created Roller Coaster Tycoon. Okay, ×2, I would say ×3. Now that we have this, I can with confidence say that we can do the same thing with the other stuff. So for example, put this here. The dark one is drawn here. And in this case scenario, it uses just star 1t. Doesn't use test. And then we multiply the 1 by star 1t. Oh yeah, and then also star 1t. There we go. Good day, Mr. Cake is looking good today. Thank you, man. Thank you. 0 toxicity in the chat. Yeah, that's awesome. So it should now plop, please. You're not building? Oh, I see. It's called start star 1t. Roller coaster guy is the only giga chat. He is insane, yeah, indeed. Huh? Wait a minute. Uh-huh. Okay, we got it. Did you already release the demo of the game or a trailer? The trailer.
Day. Retard.
Wait.
When will you finally do what you always talk about and release a demo? Please clarify. Do you really have nothing to show?
Wait, this is so slow. I'm ready to spend all days on this star. No. What do you guys think? I could also do minus 0.5 here. Then that would be a bit faster. Plop, plop. Oh my god! Ooh, you see that? Just wanted to see the gameplay, to be honest. No hate. No, that's fine. I will do a trailer next week. I'll work on the trailer. I already have some idea for the trailer. It will also feature the Necromancer here. This guy. Where is it? It will feature this guy and maybe even this guy right here. I redrew this guy. Where is it? Here. I actually fixed the pixels and made him look good. I might actually turn this guy into an enemy. And then he will be a simple Necromancer, while this guy right here will be the big Necromancer. The big Duderino. He does look much cooler than the other one though. This one looks much cooler. But yeah, that's the idea. And I want to create a trailer that includes those two. Yeah. But hey, we will have to work up to that. Okay, so the last thing that I need to do is show on hover the entire the same thing that I did yesterday, which is string challenge here, I think. Level challenge complete. Do slice button, papyrus, start level. If is hot, where's that? Here, I think is hot. This is what I want to do here. Make stars different colors, bronze, silver, gold, glow. No, that's too much work right now, bro. Maybe in the future. Hey, how do you create your own sprites? By the way, greetings from Germany. Oh, I'm from Germany too, Creative Dreamer. Hello there, sir. Good morning. How do I create my own sprites? Well, I draw them in a sprite.
Am I so out of touch?
No.
Real Super Crew is gifting 2 subs to the community.
My man! Thank you! Mr. Super Cool, I appreciate the support, bro. What a nice person. Happy birthday. Thank you. A Creative Dreamer, thank you very much for following as well, man. All right, let me see. We just need to copy the code in here. It kind of sucks that I have to do that, though. But okay. Look at this, guys. Look how much code this is.
Fuck Cakez. Fuck piratey software base.
Stars position. It's the same thing. And then this is probably just a layer above. And then the button ID will be here. And we also need to do the button, right? Which I guess const int no. Which one? What is this? Oh, it actually is the no heroes die. Heroes died ID is line ID 1. There you go. And then we need to do an invisible button. Do button invisible. Center would be stars position. Size would be a vector 2 of, let's say, 20 pixels at minimum. And then the no heroes die ID. And if it's hot, we show that. That should be the first one that's completely done right now, which means we can now hover over these stars. Let's see. Boing, boing. At least star. There we go. So that will be the first. Now we just have to, well, copy the rest. That's the first one. Save game if new challenge unlock. Yeah, let's call this let no hero die challenge. Let no heroes die challenge. This one is complete the level.
Collector's alt account just joined.
Hey, Code and Gree, how you doing, man?
My favorite Vulkan and
good morning.
Stream.
Just finishing up some last bit of coding and then we are done. We can release the demo. Happy birthday, Cakes. Thank you, White People Apple. Appreciate it, Mr. Cupertino. Salim Ulas, hello there for Siren. Hello, Ulas. Here. This one is finish or complete level ID. Complete level ID. Complete level ID. Now I don't really like coding too much this year because it's literally repeated code. I probably want to do something that is more extendable, where I'm saying I create a sprite and that sprite itself is a tooltip. I give it a tooltip. So I give it a sprite and I give it a tooltip per se. Maybe that's much easier. And then I draw the tooltip sprite. Should I do that right now? Maybe that's in total that will be much easier for the future. And then every time I draw a sprite tooltip, I get the tooltip here with the window. It doesn't, I'm just gonna do that. You say no, I say yes, because it's just an auto draw tool tip sprite, which is, you know, this. Like that. And then what does it take in? Well, it takes in a sprite ID. Sprite ID. It takes in a vector2 position. And maybe a vector2 size, which can be empty. And then I guess it will create an int ID for the button ID. Well, call it button ID. That's the only thing we really need for that. Why are you complaining? Oh, because the size, I see. Well, we need the ID here at the first part then. Button ID. There you go. Let's get that on the way. He's making tooltips. Why though, Cakes? Because I will have a lot more tooltips in the future. Like a lot of tooltips. Almost everything will be there.
Man, thank you for $10.
Holy!
Go grab a beer later. Enjoy.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for $10, Mr. Konogri. Thank you, man. Happy birthday. Thank you. I missed Supaku dropping in. Do you know what day it is? It is Friday, Mr. Konogri. Yes, sir. Let me see. What I want to do is draw a sprite. Sprite ID. At the position using the size. And then if size is the same as vector2 0. Vector2 0, then we set size to be, well, const sprite. Actually, we don't need that. From get sprite ID dot size. Guys, I'm on a roll today. I've slept a lot, okay? We will get this done easily. And then we do a do button invisible, which does the position, size, ID, button ID. And then if is hot button ID, then we basically put a tooltip above with this. Basically do that. So we need to take the position, and then we need to put the string ID in here, which we also need to supply. Since it's a tooltip, we need a sprite ID, a string ID, and we need a button ID. There you go. And I think that's already everything we need to do. We want to have the same font, the same alignment, the same size. The string ID can't be too big. That should work. And then instead of doing this, right, all we want to do here, all we do is we do, or we draw tooltip sprite. That would be, in this case, the sprite is the, I see, we have a size here. That's it's a little bit annoying, isn't it? Well, we can do the sprite icon, dark star, put the string ID, which is string level challenge no heroes died. At the stars button ID would be line ID 1, and then that is stars position. Let's see if this works. Oh, wait, complete level ID. Well, we don't need that at that point anymore. I think that's it. Excuse me. Does that work? It actually does work, apart from it being below. Cool. So now we can just draw a tooltip sprite here that is kind of invisible. That is below this. Gives me the size of this sprite, which is 16 by 16. But it's behind. So that means the tooltip itself needs to have at least 1 or 2 layer changes here. And that depends, I guess that will be something we put on as a parameter as well. And then I want the size to be... For this I want the size... Let me see, draw... Where's the tooltip sprite? Here. I want the size to be a vector 220. There you go. Look at this. Let no heroes die. Now I have a function to do a tooltip sprite. I can give it a size for the... what is it called? The... now, what is it called? Well, it's probably best if it's 18. For the collision box. Hey, Cakez, how's it going, bro? How's the family? Thank you. Travis Roman. Hello there. Good, good, good. Very good. My man. I'm very happy. Birthday today. Going very well. Okay, so this is level completed now. So this is the string level challenge complete level. Then we do the next one down here, which is let no heroes die. Challenge no heroes died. And then I guess I forgot that, right? The vector to 18. There we go. Then we don't need to draw that. Do you tell the player the goals before the level starts too, Cakez? Yeah, I do, in a way, yes. Not on the first level, but yes, I do. Let me see here. Oh my goodness. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, then we have this done. Put the next dark star. Aha, I haven't done this here yet. So that will be this one here. We put a... whatever that's called. Then we need to make sure that... change the layer like that. We already have a closing brace. We don't want to do it twice. And then this is star 3 from test. That is minus 1. Test. Star 3. 3T. And then this is the level challenge. Lose no hearts, I think. Level challenge. Lose no hearts. There you go. Okay, we're done. Awesome. So now I'm a bit confused why it doesn't save the level, but I did lose. Wait, there's no way. It always draws it. Of course, it can only draw that. It only needs to wait. It can only draw this. I want to always draw the tooltip. Sprite. I always want to draw that. This right here, like that. Actually, we're gonna put all of that. Hey, Sun's Calm, thank you very much for following. Yeah, guys, I have to quickly code that. No, I don't want to put this in here. This is something I want to let no heroes die challenge unlocked. Lose no hearts challenge unlocked. Lose no hearts challenge unlocked. And then only if we haven't unlocked that yet. But that means... Oh, I like... That's a bit annoying. Doesn't see the chat. Yeah, wait. Happy birthday, Multiplexer. Thank you very much for happy birthday. I appreciate it. I just need to quickly think. If I haven't unlocked them yet, then I need to set the... I think I know what to do. At the very top, where this is, we're gonna do a static. Nah, we need 3 timers. I kinda need 3 timers. Static float. When I won the level. No, even though I saved the level after that. Shit, man, I can't do the animation. I cannot do the animation because the moment I unlock this event, the moment I turn this bit on, the if check is no longer valid here if I do an if check here to animate these. See, this is what, like, this would be so easy in Unity. You just make an animation here at that time based on a condition, and it's like an effect. So I need to do an effect which I don't have. Oh man. How old is Cakez? I'm 34.5 today, my friend.
Demo out. Check. Mixed
Hello,
review.
Cakez. Hello, Zakaza.
Check. Doesn't work on AMD. Check.
Good luck, brother. Oh, I'm almost done here with this. Almost.
UI bugs. Check. Yapping all day.
Okay.
Check.
Appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Travis Roman, for 100 bits.
Well, man, Travis,
Tier
thank you.
100 happy birthday, bro.
Thank you, man. Thank you very much. I thought I'm older. I'm 34. Yeah, I'm 30. Quite old. How can I do the animation? How can I kick off the animation if I haven't done... If I didn't have this... If I did not have the challenge yet, I need to set up something that kicks off this animation. If I don't have this unlocked, then this is where it gives me that. I'm saving the level, but then it needs to be some sort of static variable that I turn on. God, that's so difficult to do. You know what? I'm just always gonna animate them. It doesn't matter. Every time I win, I'm just always gonna animate these. That's all. So if I have unlocked it, I'm just gonna show it. If not, then not. I think that's the best thing to do. There's an if check here. Yeah, basically if I have it unlocked. Actually, we already have that. Actually, already have everything we need. We put this in the else case. There we go. That's all we need to do. And then this is the lose no hearts challenge. Yeah, and then we put everything in the else case. Very simple, actually. Else. This here. And then this is the Let No Heroes Die challenge, and then this is Finish Level challenge. Unlocked. Finish Level challenge. Unlocked. Let's see what that looks like. We should only have 2 out of 3 stars because I lost hearts. Actually. That should not happen. There's no way this should happen. Unless it saved the game already. Which means I have to quickly start the game again and play. And then I'll upload the demo version for you guys and you can play. Okay? Is that a deal? Now we just need to... I want to do a poll. I have 10 keys. Okay, guys? I have 10 keys I can give away for the demo, or I can make the demo public for the entirety of the stream. And when I turn the stream off, I will also turn off the game. What do you guys think? What is your opinion? 10 keys, or let the demo run for the entirety of the stream? No, the reason why I only want it to be the entirety of the stream is because I want to actually utilize the playtest feature of Steam. I want to use that playtest app ID, which is a separate app, by the way, that gives me separate stats. So when I do the playtest, I know exactly the real stats. How long do people play?
Am I so
when
out
do
of
they
touch?
quit?
No.
Thrano just subscribed.
My man.
Anal.
Conrad, thank you very much for following, man. And Trano, thank you very much for subscribing. So I can sell in G2A for launch for a bunch of money. No, I will disable this. Actually, I need to write that down. So I'm gonna make a poll, you guys. Sell your game for €5 on Steam. Let the demo run. Let's do a poll. Okay. Question. Release demo for 4 hours. Stream or use keys. 4 hour. Everyone can play. Uh, 10 keys. Only 10 can play. For 4 hours, everyone can play. 10 keys, only 10 can play. That's the idea. Let me put that up on YouTube as well. Start a poll. Ask a question.
Am I so
There
out
you
of
go.
touch? No.
There you go.
Travis Roman is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Start poll. Let's put it up for, let's say, 10 minutes. So, guys, please participate in the poll. Thank you very much, Travis Roman. I really appreciate the support, man. Why 10 keys instead of all stream open demo? The reason why I would only want 10 keys is because I want to utilize the playtest feature of Steam. And the reason for that is because the playtest feature of Steam has the new stats available to me, for me. Here, I'll show you. If I go to Steamworks and then I look at the playtest itself, it doesn't have any stats yet. So I go to I don't even have stats, I guess, yet. I can only go to sales and activation reports, which is, I don't think it is, right? Let me see here. Medium time played is what I'm interested in. Is that here? Oh yeah, exactly. The Tangy TD playtest. No wishlists, no lifetime users. This one would tell me, hopefully, with medium time played, how long people played for. And so then I don't have to use the stats from the demo here and maybe ask Steam to reset them. And so I get a more accurate response. But for that to be done, I need to wait 2 weeks. It's not out yet. I need to wait another 1 to 2 weeks for this to go out. 12 votes for 10 keys make it make sense. 4 hours everyone can play. So it's quite... That's interesting. So I have 9 votes on YouTube. I have... How many votes do I have here? 20... Wait, there's 30 votes. So everyone on YouTube wants to play. But half of you guys kind of only want 10 people to play. In 2 weeks, in that case, just set it to the entirety of the stream. Yeah, I think that would be the easiest. I think so too. Milk steak with cheese. Thank you very much for following, man. I'll wait a bit longer while I do the playtest here. I need to play level 1, and then in level 3 we need to do some adjustments. So I know that I will already get feedback on the last level that it's not that balanced. So I want to balance it as much as possible before the hour is over. So I just heard that. You see that sound effect? I looked here and I'm like, oh. Also, you guys, I did another little improvement on the units. Sorry, on the money bags. We'll see that in a second. Half of it is an overestimation. I know that. I know, Conrad. Yeah. It is how it is. Good stuff. Yeah, we still don't have a sound effect for the chest. Definitely have to do that for sure. But we'll have to figure out what that would be. Ah, there we go. Now they glow a little bit more. What do you guys think about this? The glow on these. Game has improved quite a lot since last year. Nice. Yeah, thank you, Artcoded. I appreciate it, man. Do you write your own shaders for the wobbling leaves? Yeah, I did write my own shaders for that. Boom. I didn't watch Street for a few months and game looks crazy good now. Comparison, how? I don't know. Thank you, man. Just improving art and game design a little bit. Just trying my best. Learning from mistakes. Having a... He's gonna kill them anyways. Damn it, man. It is how it is. At least I didn't let any heroes die. Yeah, so in about 30 minutes I will release the demo then. It seems like everyone wants to play for 4 hours. And so I will do that. Maybe I'll extend the duration until tonight or something. So you guys have like 1 day to play. Again, the reason why I'm doing this, for those of you who are wondering, is I want to gather feedback on the mechanics of the game. And then I want everyone to play the playtest version of the game. Or the demo page version. I've already asked Steam. Man, I'm losing. Come on. I also, null exception, I also made it so that these guys no longer one-shot you. They only do 2 hearts of damage. So that there should not be anyone that one-shots you. That sucks. Cakes, I would make it 24 hours immo to account for time differences. Okay, I'll do 24 hours and then tomorrow when I start the stream. I feel like I just dropped gold, didn't I? Did I? Oh, gold can still drop behind trees, I think. Let's see what happens. No, it can't because it's on top of trees. Weekend stream confirmed. If everything goes well, yes. It all depends, but yes, I do want to do a weekend stream. Because of the feedback, of course, you know. Guys? So 89% on YouTube want the demo out to be for 24 hours. Okay. Yeah, I will do it like that then. That's fine. Because I don't want to wait. I mean, I do have the keys, but it's only 10. And I kind of need a bit more feedback than that. And then Code and Gree. No, Sturdy Pose. You want to play the game on stream, right? So I can watch you play the game in a second. Is that correct? That would also be amazing. But I need to wait until my wife's out the door so that we can focus on that entirely. I don't want it to be interrupted, then you wait. That's not a real experience then. You know? And I'll try to not give you any hints. As well. Pay to win? What do you mean pay to win? Oh, it's already 8x8 and this guy didn't even... Ouch. Oof. I kinda need to beat these guys. Come on. Okay, that should be fine. It's not actually that easy, this map. I think I did a good job balancing this. Can we get Rico to play the game on stream, Cakes? I don't think he would even do that. Sure, he can. I mean, I can do more than one. Lose no hearts. This one should... No, that's not true. That's actually not true. So that means league count is 0? Huh? How? No. Wait. It's not unlocked yet. Oh, I see. Wait a minute. I haven't unlocked it. I guess I'll have to do another if check here then. Like that. If I have unlocked it. Like that. Yeah, I guess I'll do it like this. It's unlocked and the same thing goes here. Alright, so that was not actually a bug. I just didn't code it correctly. There you go. Cool. Massive bug. Ah, okay, guys, can you stop? Huh? God damn it, what did I do? Oh, I see, wait. This needs to be outside. Yeah, like that. AMD crash, can you guys stop? Hey, why is that not playing, not showing? Honey? But that's so odd. Cause I draw the tooltip. Ah wait, the dark star has always needs to be drawn. This needs to be outside. Here. It always draws the dark star. You know what? I'm just gonna do that. That's odd. Like this. Okay, you guys want access. Okay, in about 30 minutes you all get access. And then if Rico wants to play, and if he can do that after study pause. If not...
Shintai84. My man, thank you for $33. Veal gluckt zum Geburtstag. Also congrats on the demo.
Thank you, man. Well, man, holy moly, $33, bro. That's crazy. I appreciate the support, man. Come on, guys. Give a huge thank you to Shintai in the chat. Come on, guys. That's crazy. Give him some claps. I want to play after 30 Cakes. Okay, I'll let you play. You asked multiple times. But my PC is shit. It might lag. That's fine. No, if it lags, then that's good. No, well, not good. It's bad, but good. If that makes sense. Because then I definitely want to improve the performance of my game. You give him some claps. Why do we gotta thank him for giving you money? Because he's part of the community? Let's see, is that good? Why is it not showing the middle star here? I don't understand. Here's the tooltip. There's the star. Ah, okay, because it's in here. Yeah, this one, and this one is already outside, is it? It is, but it's in the wrong location. Put it here. Cool. Nice, that will be fixed. Wait, I let heroes die? I don't think I did. Did I? I have a dead hero? Who died? I lost an orange tree. Oh wow, I actually did lose an orange tree. So I only have 1 star. I'm terrible at my own game. And I sold this guy. You see this here? I sold this guy. Cool. Let's get some money here. Ooh, we got the night. Oh, we got the good stuff, man. The stuff of splitting. If you sell, is it dead? No, if I sell, it's sold. I have 2 arrays. I have top dead heroes and top sold heroes. The moment I sell a hero, I make sure that it is placed in that array if it's top 3. So the moment I have a sold hero, I can look at the number of heroes in the array. If it's greater than 1, greater than 0, that means I sold a hero. That means I can make it so that a challenge is lost. So for example, I can make a challenge to never sell a hero. And then I look at the array. Is there something in there? No. How many levels for nesting is that? That's a lot. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10x programmer. 10 levels, 10x programmer, bro. And that's just the way it works. So yeah, you're looking at a 10x minimum programmer, because sometimes it's a bit longer here. All right, there's a bit more. Hey man, just constructive criticism. The building perspective on the left is way off here. Yeah, honey buns, I know. There will be an art pass where I will redo the entire art of the game to try to make it more consistent. As I grew with making games, I also grew as a pixel artist, and that knowledge changed the way I draw pixel art over time. And so this one is, the perspective is broken here. It is more in the style of this one here, but I do need to redo the art for sure. All right, cool. Let's see. We done all of that. Let's keep playing. I have 900 gold actually. How did I have so much gold? Well, can I buy an item? Longbow. Crossbow. I can buy items for a unit I don't have yet. Which, maybe it shouldn't be the case. I just wasted money, did I? Oh, I'm so dumb. I should not have done that. Let's give every hero more attack radius. Starting, or oh my god, I don't have money. Can't buy anything. Because I spent 5. I'm such a dumb. I'm so dumb. What is this? Oh, heroes gain more XP. Cool. It should not show items that for heroes. Okay, fine. View shop ID. I actually have that as feedback. So basically, reroll shop. It takes a look at the items. Items are not ignored. Inventory. If item dot hero type ID. If game state save state dot unlocked heroes. Unlocked hero mask. And the bit of the hero type ID. If that does not exist, then we continue. Skip items for heroes that have not been unlocked. That have not been unlocked yet. You know, in old cartoons like the Flintstones, when you see the things in the background that look different, and you know it's because they're going to move. That's how I feel when I see the orange tree compared to the other trees. That's what it should be. Cool. Add enemies option to block your tower attacks. Then add a UI button on the tower which the player has to press to destroy the enemy shields, like Dance Dance Evolution style of gameplay. Add enemy an option to block your tower's attacks. An enemy with block Oh, there should be an attack that ignores block chance. That would be cool. Okay, let me see. This guy has no skill points yet. This guy does not have a skill point either. This one is level 2. Let me see. I need money. I think I need to give myself gold. So drop gold. Then we have a void, give gold. Char point, gold, string. We do that. And then it just says game state save state.gold plus equals gold. There you go. Now I can give myself gold. Drop gold. And then this is give. Now we can put this here. I can test it. F3, give gold. Oh wait, I also need to do, sorry. Give gold 1,000. Now we have 1,000 gold. What if I re-roll? Now it's, oh, the ruby necklace. Oof. Do you guys have any idea to make the ruby necklace on the mage interesting? What stats it should be? Because the mage is all about ice damage, fire damage. Maybe ruby necklace gives shield. Ruby is fire related stats. So burn damage. Fire, okay. Ruby necklace. That is something I can still drop. Start fire damage maybe. Wait, this already gives me damage, right? Maybe it gives me, but it should be fire. So basically stat, fire, burn, duration. Maybe that is increased by 30%. Fire penetration. Unfortunately, it doesn't exist. Secondary explosion. Oh my god, that would be so amazing. An effect that creates secondary explosions. Free space. You have some really cool idea. Because that makes the upgrades more gameplay changing. Oh, can we do that? I don't think I have time to do that. Stat. Effect, maybe? Secondary explosions. Oh, that would be amazing. And then how many would that be? The demo is releasing today. Yes, it is. Fire penetration and fire damage. Stats. Stat fire damage. Dot increased by 30%. Just do it after the demo and save the idea. If you can't implement it today, make a note somewhere. Yeah, I will. I'll try to implement it though. I need to quickly check on my wife how long they need. I might just implement it real quick because it should be easy to do. Okay, I'm back. So they are not leaving, which means we can already start. How would I do secondary explosions though? So here's the question, right? Let's say we do this, which sounds really cool. Let's say we have a fireball. And it impacts on an enemy. How many secondary explosions should I do? How many would it be? Only one? So it explodes and then does another explosion? Radial equally spaced explosions? So here's the explosion. That would be the big one, right? Boom, 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 boom. And then boof, boof. 6 explosions. Boom, boom. Delayed in a way. Equally spaced explosions. Isn't that way overpowered? But it's supposed to become overpowered, Shintai. That's the entire idea of upgrades. If you don't do these types of upgrades, and Firefly, if you're listening, this is important actually for a tower defense game. I hope you are here, because you're making a tower defense game too. Upgrades need to feel fun and changing, gameplay changing. They need to be meaningful. If you just give 10% more damage, that's boring. Making an ability create secondary explosions with an upgrade is way more fun and interesting than just giving yourself 10% more damage. It's more stuff on screen. Why are you guys making the he's right emote from Forsen? What does that mean? I agree. So we'll do that. It will be a strong ability. I'll try to do this. We'll do 6 explosions. Creates. We totally hear you. That's why I use items with unique things. Yeah, who am I? That's exactly. So we'll do dot effects then. Is bit effect underscore lighting conversion. We'll turn that into effect secondary explosions. Effect secondary explosions. Explosions. Effect secondary explosions. Now, how would we implement that effect? It needs to be a delayed effect. Otherwise, it's not interesting. If I attack, I do an explosion, and the explosions happen immediately after that. That's not that great. I want it to be a little bit delayed. How could I do that? I have active abilities. Maybe it's just ability secondary explosion. Finally a good take. Extra explosions instead of secondary? Extra explosions? I think secondary is fine, isn't it? Momo, thank you very much for following. So I'm gonna spend about 10 to 15 minutes on this. If I don't get it to work, we won't do it. You could make it like a living bomb in WoW. Yeah, but I need to implement that. If I need to create some sort of structure that operates on a timer and then well, I have an idea already. Let's go. Struct active ability. It's gotta be an active ability, but I need an ability ID for that. And if I need an ability ID, I need to create, I guess, ability none, but that is also bad. But it has stats. I guess we'll do ability none. Yeah, we'll try to do ability none and then based on effects. Just delay the animation, not the actual damage taken. No, it should be boom, boom. Boom, boom. I want boom, boom. Right? I think that's more fun. I think we can do it. Collide. Wait, I have an idea. Let me first do something else. So, burn duration, fire damage. I want to do stat. Burn. Yeah, I guess I'll do burn duration. And then fire damage also 30% increased. And then it has this effect. And then we need to do effect to string. And then we give that the effect secondary explosions. String effect. Let's get one here. Oops. What is Schnitzel-lib? Oh, this is a collection of functions that is utility functions, but people, we once made a game on stream together with chat, and they wanted it to be called Schnitzel-lib, and that's ever since then I've just been using the Schnitzel-lib as a collection of functions. String secondary, string effect, secondary explosions. Okay, and then can block. Go, put this here. Okay, so what does that do? Create secondary explosions on impact. Maybe if we go down, oh god. Secondary This is where the reds are. Smaller secondary explosions. There's got to be a different way back on... I'm not going there. Impact. How do I... like... Hey? Like that, maybe? Create smaller secondary explosions on impact. Let's see. It should actually do that already, because that is the string. Oh, I mean, I did not put that here yet. Yeah, string effect secondary explosions. We still have about 10 minutes. On impact. Oh, sorry, on. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that, bro. I missed that. Can I pound you in the face, Cakez? Why would you do that? I don't understand. Create smaller secondary explosions on impact. Projectiles. Now let's keep it like that. Because let's say I put this on the defender and he attacks. I feel like it would be funny if if it actually creates secondary explosions there too. That would actually be funny. So I might just keep that. Let me see here. Does this work now? That looks good. Looks good. Okay, guys. So now that we have this, all we need to do is implement that. Explosion, hit type, impact. There we go. On impact, want to do effects. If stats dot effects, and I think it's bit. No, not braces, just bit. Oh man, I'm so. Effect secondary explosions. I want to create an active ability. Active ability, which then we do game state active abilities dot add active ability. There you go, and let's see. Need to do a couple of things. This can then obviously gunshot. What does that mean? Not gunshot. Whatever that's called. The secondary explosions will have their own AoE. So owner ID would be the... well, dot owner ID is dot attacker ID, I think. Don't I have this? Attacker ID, yeah. Oh, I see. Attacker. And then here's something wrong as well. Why is this complaining? Shift count greater than width of type. Oh, it's a string. Oops. There we go. Okay, let me quickly get that done here. Is target dot ID. Ability ID is ability none. That should be fine. And then ability tier doesn't matter. Time doesn't matter. Lerp time doesn't matter. Lerp time doesn't matter. Tick timer. Triggered. We do have a problem though, I think. I think we need to add the ability. Can we do that here? Stats dot values on stat. I need to give this like a minimum duration, which is in the stats here. Stats dot values on stat ability effect duration. What am I doing? Stupid. Dot base is, let's say, 1 second. I need to give it a 1 second .of. Wait, are these const? I can't change the stats. Fine, I have an idea on what to do then. That's fine. So stats here is stats. Explain how notifications work. Pay to win. Where's my sub notification? It's bugged. Wait, what? There is no sub notification, bro. Here. Momo, thank you very much for following earlier, man. I lost that. I missed that. Happy birthday. Thank you, Tool, man. Why limit the release of the demo? Are you worried about getting too many statistics? No, I want to limit the release of the demo because I actually want to release the demo under the playtest. Because when I have the playtest, I can gather these stats again. The medium time played. I want to know how long you guys are playing on the playtest. Because I can't reset these stats. And so, if I keep using the same demo, these stats can only increase. So these are false stats. If you have played 10 minutes in the first time, now the next playtest you played another 10 minutes, your total playtime is not 10, it's 20. That means that this medium time played can only go up the longer this is out. No, you stupid. I want to gather better stats. What's up? What you talking about, man? Last time I subbed. Thank you very much for subscribing. I didn't see it though. Travis Roman is the last person that did something that of note. That caused a notification. What can I do? You need to fire the notification yourself. When you sub, you get a pop-up from Twitch that tells you celebrate your subscription. That's what happens, as far as I know. But only 4 hours? No, it will be the entire day, Tool. I landed here because YouTube autoplay, and now I'm stuck because it's really relaxing. Oh, hey, Vlogs, my man, good morning. That's awesome. All right, guys, let me finish this here, okay? So, missiles, hit targets, doesn't matter. Just can shotgun. Explosion timer, explosion count. I mean, explosion count would be 6. Which can be increased, though. We want 6 explosions. Spike count, don't need that. Start position. Start position is the target dot, let's see, get origin rect collider from the target. Direction, doesn't matter. Target location can be the same. There we go. Target components would be the well, target.components and component enemy together with component hero, because it can be anyone, right? So either it's hero or enemies. Target components. Okay, cool. Now that we have the active ability. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be a comma. We can go to update and draw active abilities. And this is where we actually can do case ability none. Case ability none. We can implement that. So this is where we look at stats. If stats... Do I have stats here? Yes. If stats dot effects and bit effect explosions, secondary explosions. I have like a couple more minutes, guys, and this needs to be all capital. Bit quit peasant. The Twitch are talking. Quiet. YouTube peasants. I may be misunderstanding. I get the statistics thing. Yeah, that's why I don't want to have the demo be released for a long time. Because, again, I want the stats. I'm interested in that. And I also want feedback. It's really important to me. So yeah, anyways, let me see here. So basically what we need to do is, if it's secondary explosions and if ability is not triggered yet. Active ability not triggered. If it's not triggered yet, then And active ability. Active ability dot time. Time is the one that gets increased, right? Yeah. And then the ability duration is based on the ability effect duration, yeah. So over here...
Am I so out of touch?
Ability duration
Cakez after
is...
6 just subscribed. Praying massive bug, praying fuck off Arno. Message worked, I think.
Okay. Yes, thank you very much for subscribing, Zakaza. I appreciate the big support, man. Wow. Come on, guys. Big W's in chat for Zakaza. He finally subscribed. Thanks for the money, bro. Hell yeah. On my birthday as well, my man. Hate Watcher sub, yeah.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Souza001 just subscribed.
I appreciate it, Souza. Thank you very much. If it's not triggered yet, we set the ability duration to 1, and then we do the stats.values.stat ability stat underscore ability effect duration is nothing first, and then we set the base to 1 second. That's important. Basically, we need 1 second duration so it doesn't run out. And then after that, we add missiles. Add missiles as explosions. So for... Basically, all I need to do is take pi, divide that, actually 2 pi, divide that by 6, and then start somewhere, right? This is the float spacing. And then we just keep rotating, starting from 0 degrees. So we have a vector 2. Start direction, which let's say is direction right. And then we plus that. Wait, we rotate that vector, which is direction right, by the half the spacing angle. Guys, this is what I'm trying to do right now. So these are the explosions, right? If this is the circle, and we start in this direction, and I want to have 6 points. I want 1. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's only 4. Let's see, 6 points on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess it would be something like 2 points. I don't know. Basically, if it was 4 points, I would start here, 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 and here. If it's 6, I just want them to be rotated. Okay, we'll see how that looks. Doesn't matter. I can't explain it. All right, start direction. Rotate vector 2. And then vector 2 position is active ability dot start position plus start direction times well, that's the question. How far away should these explosions be, huh? Let's do 50 for now. And then we do that 6 times. I guess we'll do that in a for loop. We get the position. And then we rotate the vector 2. by the spacing at the end, and then we do missile. And then active ability dot missiles dot add. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Missile. And we rotate. There you go. And then over here in the missile. Oh god, there's a lot in there. Holy moly. Noise position is position. Hit timer, doesn't matter. Hit counter, ring buffer, rect, collider, direction, doesn't, none of this matters. We just need the position of the missile, that's all. And then if, now we are done, right? We have generated all of the missiles, and then we can say the ability, active ability is triggered. Is true. We have triggered the ability, and then what all we need to do is check if active ability dot time is greater than 0.25, or let's say that, something like that, right? That's when we do the explosions. So for missile, missile reference, missile in active ability dot missiles, we do deal AoE damage, and then we need AoE data. We want to deal AoE damage, and then we are done with this. So that would be AoE data. AoE data is nothing. And we need to figure that out here. What do we have? It's not that much, actually. And we also want to create an effect, of course, right? We want to know happy birthday, Cakez. Hey, Alex, thank you very much. Happy birthday. Thank you, bro. I figured out something here. The base needs to be 1 second. I don't want to do that. 1 second duration so it doesn't run out. There we go. And then attacker ID is the active ability dot. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that, man. Attacker ID is this one. Ability ID is none. Which kind of sucks. I feel like I should do it differently. I probably want to do it differently. I think I know what to do. AoE ellipse. Oh, so there we go. That's the const float AoE radius is, let's say in this case that would be 16. And then stats dot values on stat AoE dot base is AoE radius. Then const float. How about this? 16. The const float AoE radius is get stat value stats dot values on stat AoE. Okay, sturdy pause. Can you get ready? I'm almost done. Yeah, I know. I'm almost. You guys, you see that I'm not running into any issues. So, and then ellipse 1, AoE ellipse is get ellipse missile dot position, and then AoE. I'm just implementing the secondary explosions because I thought that this is such a great idea. I want to do that really quickly. It doesn't take that long. And I'm on a roll right now. So I want to quickly do that. Hit type is hit type impact, of course. and then hit targets, does not matter. Now we have filled in the AOE data, and it's actually creating this. Now, obviously, I want to also, if has option collider. I want to debug this for a second. It will be ready really quick. It's not scope creep, bro. This is what tower defense games are all about. Getting awesome upgrades and then using them because they're fun to use. Trust me, man. This is really important for tower defense games. Deploying on Friday. Yeah, deploying and testing. Oh, sorry. Debug. Ellipse. Debug. It's basically game state. Debug ellipses. Dot add. Dot ellipse is AOE radius, AOE ellipse, sorry, and then dot draw data is dot material is 111. It's basically color red. Because it's, yeah, AOE. Or do it color blue. Because it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. Okay, cool. Now we have the AOE ellipse in there. Man, that was easy and fast. And the reason why I did this is because we have just unlocked or found this ruby necklace, which can be found. Now it does fire damage, burn duration plus 30%. All I need to do is give myself gold.
Am I
4,000?
so out of touch?
Wait.
No.
Riadon7 just subscribed.
Now I have enough money to buy this, which lets us save, and then let's place the guy here and just test what it would look like if he can... Oh, I don't have a ring. Wait, home. I need, wait. Give gold, I actually have 500. We need this, okay. Give gold, 200. I need to cheat a bit in order to test this, okay? It is how it is. Thank you very much for following. And read me, thank you very much for subscribing this minute as well. And Polytrax, thank you very much for following too, man. All right. There we go, guys. So, give him some money. Didn't I buy the iron ring? Did I not buy the iron ring? Where's the iron ring? Honey? It's for the mage. Huh? Weird. Why do I not have the iron ring here? Wait, maybe... That's a wizard, not mage. No, it says iron ring is mage, bro. Default Tenji? Let me see here. It might look at the wrong items. That's why. Abilities. Target priority. Upgrade abilities. Upgrade weapons. It might look at the wrong data for this. It might collect the wrong data. Which way? Where is it? Here. Is it here? Here. So armor upgrades. Chosen weapons. Chosen weapons. Unlocked mode challenge. Chosen weapons. Weapon upgrades. So this is what I need. Chosen weapons here. And at the bottom it uses chosen items. So it does work. Chosen items, none. Ah, this is a bit annoying because we're almost done. Unlocked web items. Okay, wait. What is bit? Wait, which item ID is the... Let me see. Game state dot unlocked items. Here you go, and then we have item ruby necklace. What value is that? 6. It's unlocked. Okay, so we do have the item. It's just not chosen. Wait. I think the reason why is view shop ID. Wait. View shop ID does not function correctly. When I buy an item, that's interesting. It's already unlocked. Reroll shop. Draw quad. Scroll bar, buy bar. This is important that I have this now, because that will have been a bug. People would have bought items in the shop and they wouldn't have gotten it. Yeah. So what I need to do here is prefab. Do I have it? Okay, hero prefab pointer get prefab. I don't know. Prefab. Let's get prefab. And then do I have this here somewhere? The item itself? Item. Wait, it's the weighted item. Wait, there's got to be the weighted item here. What am I going through? Selected item. Shop items. Ah, god damn it. But wait. It gives me the tangerine. Where's the prefab for that? Weighted item. Ah, here. Prefab. Wizards are Iraqi and mages are Iranian. What's this? Okay, we need to turn this into a prefab pointer. Here, so hero prefab pointer prefab is a null pointer. And then instead of found hero, here we do, if we found the prefab, then prefab is weighted get prefab on weighted item dot hero type ID. There we go. And does that find, what if it doesn't find one? That's bad. If, wait, we do have hero none though, do we? We don't. So if, well, that sucks. What if we don't have one? It will always do the defender. Wait, that's a bit on. Wait a minute. Default heroes. Wait, hero type ID. Do I have hero none? Huh? Wait, I need to think for a second, because that doesn't work. How do I do this in a list? How do I turn this into a question mark? Ah, man. God damn it. I wanna listen to you guys play. But that's a bug. Think. Use your brain. You can do it, bro. Blacksmith ID. Viewsmith ID. There we go. Viewsmith. Active modal. Content. Scroll bar preview. Here we go. Save state. Weighted item. Found hero. If weighted item, if it's defined, then it does the default hero sprite ID on the hero. Okay. So basically like that. Okay. Which means it goes through this. If it finds it, which it does, then it gets the prefab and it draws it. Okay. So basically that. Then if we have a prefab, If we don't have a prefab, we do a question mark. And down here, we have the prefab. And prefab dot chosen items dot add. Huh? Damn it. Chosen items is one of those, isn't it? Items already unlocked. Skip. Chosen items full. Yep. Chosen items for the heroes are already full and the blacksmith has not been found yet. Goodness, this is crazy. Yeah. God. 15 minutes into the demo, good game. Yeah, sorry about this, guys. Oh, I found a really... It's always like that, isn't it? You always find like a really annoying bug. Okay, reroll shop. I need to assume here... Oh, is that annoying? Oof. Remove items that are already found and therefore should no longer be in here, yeah. And then I can also put this here. That should actually be like a function now. It needs to be a function. Let me create a function for this quickly. It's auto. Check items or something. Check items full. Check items full. If items full. And then it gives us a pointer. Check if chosen items full. And that is a equals that structure. And then it does all of this stuff in here. I need to... I'll stop in 10 minutes for sure. If I don't get it done, then we'll have to see. So first and foremost, we need the weighted item. Weighted item, reference, weighted item. Weighted item. That is const. And then we might just also need the item. Const, item, reference, item, if we can. And then what else? Is that it, though? Okay, and then, not sure why that complains here. Oh, I see item data. And then that returns us a bool. So basically, over here, return false. Check if chosen items full. Check if chosen items. Check if items open. Item slots open. So here it returns false, and then at the bottom returns true. What is this if check? If we have not unlocked the blacksmith yet. If we have unlocked the blacksmith, we will still return true, which means they are open. They're always open. Okay, that makes sense. Now, we have this question mark here. Let me see if this still works. Should be. And then over here, when we re-roll the shop. Wait, where's that? Re-roll shop. That function. Goodness. We will be dead now, guys. I know this sucks. I agree. I totally get it. Okay. Totally do understand that. Okay. But I need to make sure that this works. If we have already... wait, so we go through the weighted items in the inventory, which is tier 1 and tier 2 items. We filter, whatever that's called, filtered inventory. And then we look at the item and we ask, if it's already unlocked, ignore. Skip heroes for items that have not been unlocked yet. And then skip items when there is no more space for items to... And then that is if... And now that function, what is it called again? Check if item slots open, basically. That's what I should call it. Now, we need the weighted item, which we... Well, I should really call that weighted item. Because... And then over here we can do, in this case... Do we need that though? Why do I need the item? Why do I need that? Is today Cake's birthday? Yes, it is. I'm going to release the demo 100% today, and you guys will be able to play. And Sturdy Post will play on stream, and Zakazar, I think you will also play, right? Item slots open. Why are you complaining now? Takes 2 consts. References. Why do I need the item? Because I need to know if it's a weapon or not. I see. Okay. Now skip items where there's more space for items. There we go. So now, and then when we do that, this is reroll the shop. That is called here. And then skip, if it's already, remove items that have already been found. So if I have items in the shop that have not been unlocked yet, I want to remove them, but also remove items if there's no more space. Remove items when there's no more space for the item in the slot. And so for that, we have an item ID here, but we don't have a weighted item actually. Because the shop items are not weighted items. Oh my god! Sucks! Shop items should be weighted items. I'm 35. Oh, I have this in C++. I'll put it here now. Weighted item. Please tell me that works. I'm gonna put the weighted item in the shop, which means that should still work. Do it, release it, and then work on your freaking game. Yeah, I will. A second. Fill an inventory. Reset and pick new items. Shop items. What is this function here? Reroll shop. Save state. Shop items dot add item. In this case, it will just add the item. There you go. That works. Shop items. Save state. Old. Shop items. Oh, I see. Save state old. What's this? I'm just gonna reroll the shop here in this case. To do. Reroll shop. Zoom jam. I want to fix a primarily major bug so that you guys can enjoy the game. Okay. Now, obviously. Yeah, there we go. That is... Why don't I just... Of course, I need the index, right? Weighted item reference. Shop items. This can be const, I think. And then unlocked on weighted item.item ID. And then over here we do weighted item ID, and then we do that. Cool. How much is left? Shop items. That's an item ID reference. That is now a weighted item. And then this will be weighted item.item ID. But then we don't need the prefab because we can get the prefab from the weighted item.item ID. There you go. Cool. Oh wait, weighted item.hero type ID, sorry. What bug? There's a bug with the shop that it doesn't add the item to your hero. So when you buy the item in the shop, you get nothing. And so now people will spend money in the game to buy an item and they get nothing out of it. And so I already know that I will get that as feedback. Might as well just fix it now. While I'm still like fresh and focused. I've just started coding. That's a rare occurrence. So I can get you guys a more fleshed out experience than just provide you with something that's buggy. And then I don't have to read that as feedback because it just won't happen, right? That's the idea. Tangy icon. That Tangy icon is basically very simple. It's, well, that one. And something here. Prefab chosen items. Oh, well, we need to do a for loop. Max upgrade choices, I++. If prefab chosen items on I, and then this is item.tier or rarity. I is item none. Then we do that. There you go. Now it should work. We need to test it. I need to reset the game and test it again. I have bought the necklace. It's for the guy here, but I don't actually have it. Now, there's still one more thing that is complaining. And also, it says chosen items, but it could also be a weapon. It depends on the type here. So, we only have chosen items. It depends on what item I have. So basically this is if item dot type. How do I do that? Weapon. Oh my god. Weapon bits item type. These are bits. Okay, good. So basically end weapon bits. Then we have a weapon. We add that in here. Otherwise, we have an item and we add that here. So in this case scenario, we want to use the chosen items. And then in this case scenario, want to use the chosen weapons. Now and then can unlock, was it slots, item slots open. I can literally take in a const. I don't think I can do that. Double array. I'll probably just do the same code for weapons. Item slots open, yoink. Bool, weapon slots open. And then I change chosen items to chosen weapons. Hey, this is already chosen weapons. So then, wait, what? Chosen weapons. Wait, what? There was a mistake here. Oh, wait. It's either weapons or items. So this is already... Okay, that already works. Okay. So slots open, item slots. Okay, that already works then. What is this? I want to test that here. Why not just do constant bool? Selected item. What is this? For all of the shop items. Oh, I want to... I see. I want to draw it, don't I? Yeah, this is just drawing the item. So basically that is shop items.item ID. And we get the item. All right, let's see if this works. That means I have to also change the data, which means we have to quickly play again. Okay, I'm sorry about the delay, guys, but I'll push now. In preparation, I think it will work. I'll quickly build and push. So that's already ready to be uploaded. Then I'm gonna quickly play one round. See if it works. So we can already push it to Steam. Which it will be the normal demo for Steam, right? So Tangy TD demo. That means we need to open up that. And put it here. Steamworks, tools, content builder, scripts, simple app build. So we need that app ID, and the depot for the app is in... Where is it again? Here? Builds? Where is the depot? Depots? Is that the depot? Like that? That should be it, right? Then we have this, and I can invoke that using run.build. It's running right now. It's installing. And we obviously need to add stats. Oh, I did add stats to the demo already. Oh, so that's already done. Good stuff. Okay, so I can do this in a second. I just need to quickly play to see if the explosions work. If yes, then congratulations. If not, then we're gonna go... I'm still gonna release it, I think. Because now I have been blueballing you too long, right? It's been taking a bit too long. Is the debug text on the top left of the demo? No, that's just for me. That is just my debug text, bro. Why do the skeletons move in the main menu? Why not? I find that's a bit more cool. Waiting 1 hour is fine, 1 year isn't. And by the way, Rafaloto and Kiyo, Kori and Nigi Zioi. Difficult name. Sorry if I botched that. Thank you guys for following. Yeah. And Polytrax as well earlier as well. Just gonna speed run this here. What is this? Prefab chosen items? Armor upgrades? Gradient? What is that? Oh, I see. It's the shop, isn't it? Money! We got the tree! And level up as well. Uh-oh, don't hit my tree. Good. Demo out now, or did Cakez miss his deadline by 1 hour already? I found a bug just before I wanted to release it, bro. We added in a cool new feature and then I found a bug just as I was about to release it. So I decided to fix the bug. It's gonna be out in a second though. Your game looks good, man. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate that, brother. I hope that this demo is actually more... You guys will like it more than the last. But I do need feedback for that, for sure. Massive bug game... You can't say that. Also... Fan funding, what happened? Oh my god! Sorry, who cares on YouTube? I totally missed that. Oh, stupid YouTube chat, man. Thank you very much for $10. Since it's your birthday, here you go. Happy birthday. Thank you very much, man. I'm so sorry that YouTube chat did not update, man. Of course. Thank you, man. 15 updates as well. Thank you so much for the big support, bro. And sorry, I missed messages on YouTube, you guys. A lot. Happy birthday. I landed here because YouTube thing. I hate Twitch chat. Tell him to fuck off and don't cry about some... Okay, Twitch chat, YouTube chat better than Twitch chat. Come to YouTube. Hey, Cakez, while I was looking around AI-generated videos... Let me see. AI-generated videos of spider crabs cooking spinach with Nutella. I came across your stream again. So I'm stopping by to wish you a happy birthday. Thank you, Andre. I was wondering how's Rico and Collector doing. Oh, they're doing great. Awesome lads, the best VOS can one get. Yeah, true. Mod Rico today? No. Twitch chat L. It's okay, guys. We forgive Cakez. We can't focus on both chats. Nothing will get done. I'm fine with it. Whenever he seems, he sees it. Lol, who's spamming like that button? Super chat. Thank you very much, man. Again, who cares? I'm so sorry that the chat did not update, bro. I hate that it's not doing that. I would have realized it earlier. Does this guy have level up yet? No. Rico hasn't been toxic in a while. You should mod him as a reward. I think Rico just hasn't been here, bro. That's all. Oh, we got this one. We need that to open up. Or we can get this. I think I wanted to get that one. And then also, let's get the ice barrier. No, no, wait! Please work. Oh, yeah! Oh my god! I mean, it does look a little confusing when he gets attacked multiple times, right? But hey! The bar is a little bit weird on top, but hey, I take... No! Ah, it is all this. I lost one. Ah, my dad is calling. Fuck, I forgot to call him. Why is he calling now? He said tonight, not now. Man, today when I want to playtest my game, everything comes together, man. But, well, my parents will visit, but I told them that I have something to do here. Bloop. Oh, we got a lot of money, holy. Oh, we got 1 complete level, okay. I feel like I let... our 1 hero died, but and I lost a heart. Okay. Well, it is how it is. Oof, can see and attack translucent enemies. Kinda, that's a bad one, by the way. Converts all damage to cold. It is how it is, okay. Now, we need to reroll the shop. Let's see here. Do they know you are a star? Why? Why? Reroll shop. There's got to be a mistake here. I see. If there are no more item slots open, continue. Spaghetti code. No, it needs to be no more item slots open. Aha. And so now, okay, now I need to give myself gold. 20,000 or something, 200,000 to reroll until we find the ruby necklace. We buy that. It should add this to the choice item choices of the mage. Okay, and now we should actually have that unlocked on the mage. Please tell me it's there. Please tell me it's there. But not 3 times. I mean, break. That's why I did this, okay? So 3 give gold. Wow, we got lucky.
Cakes, 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 cakes.
Create smaller secondary explosions on impact. Are you guys ready for the smaller impact explosions? It will work. 100%. Are you ready? Step debugging. Oh, he is attacking. It is flying. Oh, wow. Oh my god. It creates explosions. Okay, wait, that's too much. Lol. I know why that is happening, by the way. Update. Wait. Update and draw active abilities. First one, ability none. Once it triggers, obviously we need to remove it. Active ability.time is 10 seconds. Expire ability. We need to do that, and then also, not only do we need to deal AoE damage, we also need to create an effect. Impact effect, which we have that already. Think a collide projectile. Collide projectile. Impact effect. Effect here. Want that. The sprite ID. Be sprite explosion. Which one though? Explosion 3? Center, test, center, get collider origin. The center will be the missile position. AoE radius. Size of it is AoE radius times 2. That works too. Loop duration, direction, angle. Doesn't really matter, I think. Layer effects. Game state effects.add effect. I think that's it. I'm surprised that this actually worked. It did do a lot of damage, but hey, that's cool. Cakez reminds me of when I did my homework 10 minutes before going to school. Watch this. Boom. When is the explosion happening? Huh? Hey! What happened? Nani? Oh wait. No, I got the item. The item is here. Huh? I mean, it did before. Yeah, it does that. So it should definitely go here. How's your black tooth, Cakez? I don't have a black tooth. Where do you see a black tooth, bro? I would know that. Huh? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I expired the ability immediately. I'm so stupid. Clip that? Guys, stop. Okay, wait. This time it will work, guys. Oh my god! What? How? What? It's endless. I need to see that, actually. I need to see that in action. I want to see this. Oh, wait. Oh my god, it's a chain reaction! Every time it hits something! Watch! Boom, 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 boom! It keeps happening! It's chaining! That's amazing! Boom, 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 boom! It keeps happening! Damn! Someone clip that, please. I wanna... Clip that, please! Damn! Boom, 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 boom! Endless! Yeah, I don't have anything that stops it. That's true. Man, this guy's OP. Okay, that's amazing. I like that a lot. Basically, what I need to do is... I need to take the stats and remove the effect. Stats dot effects or equals effect secondary explosions. And then I want this to be 0.1 or something. I want this to be immediately. Deal 1 damage equals 6 damage per attack. Now the question is, guys, what about the range? Is 50... Should I do 40? Maybe? Release when, Cakez? In a couple of seconds. Oh my god! Why does it keep happening? But I toggled it off. Wait, no, not here. Wait, I need to do that though. Eh? Huh? Why is it not removing the stat here? It deals AoE damage. That should be turned off, shouldn't it? It toggles this off. Or should I do and equals with not these secondary explosions? So basically remove secondary explosions. Is this happening for everyone now? No, it should just happen for this. Man, that's crazy. Why does it keep happening? I don't understand. That should stop. It should stop here though. Oh wait, I need to do bit. Of course. I need to remove the bit. I'm stupid. Yeah, we need to remove the bit from that. Hey? Hey? Now it doesn't do that at all? Bits, please. Hey? I don't understand. It should at least create those explosions. Why is it not creating the explosions? Wait, also, I thought I built this. It only spreads if the enemy dies before the bomb goes off? No, it should always. Should always. Wait. Huh? Wait, maybe this never happens here? Why? It's so odd. Who suggested the cluster bombs? That was a good suggestion, man. Huh? I'm so confused. Why is... Hey, why is this happening? Good suggestions, Cakez. Oh, okay, bro. Like, you never have any issues. Why? Ah, because it stats effects. I see. If it's explosions. So I need to do the explosions. I need to do the explosion and then remove the effect. So basically this right here has to be done here. Because then I've already done the AoE damage. 100%. That's what it is. Oh my god, you're really annoying me right now. There is no way. Why? It only does it once. Why? What is stats? It's a static variable. It's a static variable. Oh my god, so bad. Eh? What is the problem? Give him a couple of seconds. Const. What is the problem? Variable stats cannot be implicitly captured in a lambda with no capture default specified. Now removing static will break every ability. Oh, this is annoying. Static. I don't understand this at all. Maybe that. Disable cluster from happening and ship the game. Yeah, I'll test for a couple more seconds. Oh, that's annoying, man. Ah, come on. That's some bullshit. Why not? Because it's a dumb static variable. These stupid stats stuff, man. Ah. I mean, there's a copy here. I just don't understand. I mean, I guess clusters just don't work. That's what it is. Unfortunately, they don't work. Oh, I hate that. I hate that. No, it bothers me. It bothers me so much. Why not? Come on. If it has this, it goes in here, then it finds out the time is greater. It should at least do this once, right? Why is it not even doing it once? That's the question that I have. Because I built this. It's a static variable. Stats is. So now it does it once, right? It does. Should do it once, right? Yes, it does it once when I reload. Stats is. Owner stats. Does this happening here? I'll do this every frame. Why not? That makes no sense. I'm removing it from the stat. Huh? So close, guys. We are so close. Secondary explosions is 7. And then 1 bit shifted to the left by 7 is 128. And then we can check active ability.stats.effects and 128. So that means it's true. This is set. And then why, for goodness sake, why, for goodness sake, we have ability none. It's not triggered. It does all of this. Creates 6 explosions. Sets it to triggered. Checks the time. I'm such a fucking idiot. Never mind. Never mind. I'm so tired, man. Oh, God. Just a couple of seconds, guys. It's gonna work now, Copium. Aha. Aha. Why? Oh my God, I'm gonna lose my mind. Come on. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Now what? It's not triggered. How is it not triggered yet? I set it to triggered. Huh? Is active ability is a reference? Oh wow, it's gonna create... Oof. Okay, that's bad actually. Okay, now active ability. It's gotta go in here at some point. What? Why? Oh, I see. I know what it is. It expires. The ability expires before, I think. And how many non-triggered abilities does that have? I don't understand. Why is this always reset back? Huh? Bro, I'm gonna lose my mind today. That's insane. Stop. Why is this never happening? Oh, mano. Have you considered you... Oh, man. When you really want this to work and it doesn't. God, I hate that. Why not? Like, all of a sudden it behaves completely differently from what it should do. And it's just this one thing. I don't understand. How? Doesn't do anything now. Come on, man. Maybe because of this? Oh. Yeah, I mean, that's what I had before. Then when I do stats, his active ability dot stats. I know what the problem is, and I have to literally, this has to be a copy. It has to be a copy. Otherwise it doesn't work, and so I have to fix this dumbass thing here. Which I think I just have to copy them by reference. And then that works. Yeah. The reason why I have to do this... Is that it? Yeah. Okay. The reason why that has to work... And then what we need to do here is... At the top, I need to remove the... secondary effects from the ability. Active ability.stats. And then we re-expire the ability too. That way it should work. Oh my god, save. Thank you very much for following, you guys. Aaron Law, Akusho, and DX12. Thank you very much. Blul, yeah, I might ask if I could extend a little bit the stream today, but I really want this to work. My god! Why? I can't believe this. How? Ah, I see. Active ability dot effects. We need to use that. And then we also do active ability stats values. We set this to 1. Anything else on the stats? AoE, that's fine. Ja, that works. Das sieht aber cool aus, das Teil. Das schwarze Teil sieht cool aus. Nicht jetzt? Oh my god! Now, why does that not stop now? I'm literally removing it here. And I'm assigning the stats there. Oh, I know why. Because I'm doing the AoE damage before I remove this. So first, yeah. I need to remove before I do the explosions. That's number 1. But I also have to do it a little bit differently as well. Can you... Are you serious? You can't be serious! Oh, guys, I'm just not gonna do it. It's not gonna work. We're wasting our time. I'm sorry. I'll have to do this later. We'll have to do it later. I'm not in the right mindset to test it right now. It just doesn't work, and I promise that 30 boys can play. I feel like if I do any longer than this, I will not have enough time for you guys to play test this. So, unfortunately, the explosions won't work. I would have loved to test this out. Maybe I'll get whatever thing. Right now, let's build the game and pack it for Steam. At least the shop works, which was a major bug. You also promised me... Yeah, Zakaza, you can also play. Both of you can play. So, Sturdy Post will play first, and then Zakaza will play. Hopefully you guys will have fun. I'm gonna upload the data to Steam now, and then we'll do the playtest. I'm already gonna go into Discord. Excuse me, where is it? Into live channel. And I'm gonna move in Sturdy Pose once he's ready. Yeah, sorry about that. I thought I could fix it. It will take a little bit more time to do. It is how it is. It's fine. Let's move on. I have pushed it to Steam. We need to go here, and then I need to make the Steam demo public again. So, let's see here. Steam pipe builds. We need to find the latest build. 6 a.m. was a build for Tangible. This 6 a.m. is probably not correct. New demo out, sir. Gonna try that later today. Yeah, it will be out for a day. Let me test really quickly. I asked something on Steam. Let's see, support. My tickets. How can I see my tickets? How can I see my tickets? Oh, man, this... How can I see my tickets, guys? Steamworks. Guys, can someone tell me where I can see the tickets that I did? Like, a support is only support. It only brings me to this page. Where can I see my tickets? The open tickets. It's got to be here somewhere. On dashboard below. Nothing in email? On the dashboard below. Help thank you. Okay, let me see here. Hey, I wanted to ask if it's possible to reset. Okay, let's see. Awaiting support. Okay, so it is awaiting support. Can I click on this or something? Okay, so they haven't answered me yet. So yeah. Good. Then let's make the demo visible again. Should have... We got a new update here? Wait, I only spent 38 minutes on this? Really? May 2nd? Uh, 38 minutes. Okay, I thought it was like an hour or something I spent on this. So, okay guys, now we're gonna release the demo. Sorry about the delay. Where's Steam? Here. Notifications, pending confirmation. There you go. Yeah. Okay, we got it. And then we publish this. And then I need to make the demo page Steam works. Really publish. Do you have a release date for the game already, Cakes? I have not, Gabriel. It will probably be after Steam Next Fest, where I go either into early access or we'll see how far I am at that point. All right, guys. Now I just need to figure out how to make it public again. I have no idea. If I am here home, it says... No, not this one. Tangy TD demo is hidden. Does not appear. Demo deactivated. How do I activate it again? I can't download it? Yeah, because I need to activate it first. See below to reactivate. Scroll down, reactivate demo. Am I blind? Ah. Reactivate demo and players will download it. Okay, before I do that, let me test for like a quick second if this works. Steam is open though. So I'm not copying the Steam API DLL. Which means I forgot one thing. GGG error, yeah. We need to copy that. Good thing I did that, huh? Okay, wait. We need to copy. Steam. What's it called again? Steam. Steam API DLL. Into game underscore. Wait. Into $demo output. Okay, sorry about that. Good last second catch, holy. Yeah, that was important. I need to do that. I need to have something automatic for sure for the future. Happy birthday, Cakez. And thank you, Stefan. I appreciate that, man. 10 keys is better. You know your players and you can talk to them directly. Yeah, but I will have 2 people play and then most people can play right now. And then in 2 weeks, there will be changes. And then it will be a public, either a public demo page or a playtest. We'll see. Might just do a public demo page. We'll have to see. I will have answer by Steam then. Okay, wait. Quit. Now we have the Steam API DLL. Does it work? Why that now, guys? Why do I get that now? Steam API init failed. Because I don't have the... I don't have the percentage S. Yeah, that's also great. The reason why is probably because of the Steam build ID. I would assume. It is probably because of the Steam build ID. Let me see here. I'm gonna push this to Steam. Right now. No, because you're loading it from the Steam instead of the executable. No, I've always been using it. I've always been... The difference between the game there and this game is this right here. Where's this? Steam... App ID. This right here. That's why. This file is not here since it can't find the file. It doesn't know what to load, which means I need to have that. Put that text file in the game folder. Steam says I should not do that. Steam says when I release the demo, I should not do this. Cancel. That means we need to go to builds again. And select the new build. Okay, I couldn't listen to this anymore because okay, let's do that one more time. I think I do that. Oops, yeah. That's why, like, I read this, you know, and I was like, okay, fine, I'm not gonna do that. But obviously then that sucks when, okay, it's now default, publish. Now I should be able to play this because I'm the owner, right? So what did I publish to now anyways? Did I publish to the build test? Wait a minute. Guys, I have 2 depots, I think. Where did I publish to? Oh wait, I published to default, and this is test builds. I see. So now if I go to Steam... Oh, by the way, I saw this game here, Heroes of Hammerwatch. That looks really good. It's such a great game. Nice pixel art game. Anyways, let's go here. Tangy TD demo, properties. How do I get rid of the beta? None. Okay. And then I'm just gonna uninstall. How do I uninstall? How do I uninstall? Oh, I see, uninstall. Yeah, sorry guys, I don't usually uninstall. Okay, it's gone. Let's restart Steam. Pretty sure if you have the executable like that, people can just share and it's like DRM free. Doesn't really matter, man. For me, I don't really care about that. Most people won't do that. Yeah, there will be some people. There's another update. Okay. Install. I should be able to play this because I'm the owner. And if I can play this, then we are good to go. I saw Books of Grandura in the library. Feels wow, man. Books of Grandura. Yeah. That's not Teacaps. Coffee Lovers game. Steam API isn't a proper DRM anyway, so it means nothing. It's fine. Listen, really, I don't really mind. Let's see. Oh. Uh-huh. I think it still saved my game's progress. Uh-huh. Cakez, hire me. I can be your DEI consultant for your game. Okay, yeah. Why do I have level ups on these guys? Level 3. Oh my god. What about the options? Goodness. That's odd. I thought I deleted everything. Wait a minute. Maybe it just kept some data? That's a bit annoying. Like, I don't want... Like this save game here, for example. You have Steam Cloud Cakes? No, I have not. I'm just gonna do this. And then let's do verify... Was that called? Marcus, hide this game. Bro, how do I verify again? Installed file. Verify integrity. 100 files will be reacquired. Okay. Look at this cool pause menu I saw on TikTok. Is that really like...
What's this say? Wait a minute.
That's actually really good, man. Yeah, that's cool. Decline here, watch.
What's this say?
What is this? Deny? Or...
Wait a minute.
That's cool, man. Good stuff. All right, let's see. Play. Okay, so now it does work properly. So how can I make it so that it deletes my save games? What can I do so it deletes all of the files when it does the update? Like, is there a setting on Steam that I can turn on? Because otherwise people will complain about options being different, stuff not working. There will be a bunch of bugs. It needs to be a completely new experience. What can I do here? Remove the file from code. You should delete everything under your game file's name. Keep a version number in your save file. I don't have a version number in my save file, unfortunately, right now. But I guess I need to do this before I push. Let's see. Load game. Load game. Save stage. File size. Do I have a version here? Int version, I do. So what you're saying is, if the version is 0, if file exists, load outdated game. See, proper save. Save read file, if save game. Check version. Save game. Maybe I'll do this. If save, this is called save state, version is less than 2, then delete file, save.cake, and delete file, save backup. What's it called? Save dot backup, and then load outdated game. Jar pointer. Save state.
I love Cakez dirty dog.
No
Fucking no
TCAP.
soap, no skill, no original
And
ideas.
save
Bloom,
game.
Steal a bastard, no
What
clue,
does
no
that mean?
knowledge, no
Load
games
outdated
released,
game.
No good text, no code, dumb idiot, react and
No.
fuck off, stop streaming.
No,
okay,
wait, I
chat.
don't want to load an outdated game. Oh, that's annoying. I don't want to load an outdated game. So what if I don't have a file? Then I just don't do anything. Okay. So basically I delete the 2 files. Huh? I delete the 2 files and save the game. Maybe that. And then I put the save states version by
This
default
bloody
to 2.
mess just shows why you'd flop in any real job, you daft idiot. You've got the foresight of a blind bat, always stuck in some half-baked idea, and now you're back to the basics of rendering like a child with crayons.
I wonder what that does
That's
now.
what happens when you can't be
Be
bothered
that tomorrow?
to
No, it
plan
will be
ahead.
today. So save state version is 0. Then it deletes these 2 files. Then it goes into save game. Which right now is still version 0. Maybe you should convert the other file to the new format. No, I wanted to wipe it all, and I will wipe it all again in the next update too. I'm gonna do a constant. Current save file version is 2. And then we'll put this. Because I want to have more time setting up the save file properly. Then what I do, great, now I have these 2 files, do I? They're gone, but I have them here too. So basically I can put these in here. And then just pretend again. So the version, it deletes the 2 files, saves the game. Oh my god, I didn't even click that. Stop. Start. Okay. Now let's see if this works. Let me build this and put it to on Steam. Packing demo for Steam. Okay. That will be the last update before I put it to public, I think. Wait, actually. Content builder. Run it. Hey, is it available on macOS? No, right? No, you would need to try Proton with this. Luis. Hello there, Chris, on YouTube. Good morning. All right, let's see. F5. We have a new one here. Default. Change. Go to Steam here. Oh, excuse me. Come on. Oh yeah, set build live now. Tangy TD version 0.6.1. Set build live. Yes. There we go. This is instant. I really like the phone notification thing, guys. That's really awesome that it works like that. Okay, cool. And then publish. Now, one thing I want to say before you guys play this, okay? Steamworks. Is the last level is not very well balanced, meaning it is very difficult to beat. I did not have time to flash it out yet. Okay. So the first two levels, the balance is okay. Maybe the second level might be a bit easy. But the third level is a little bit tough to beat. Okay, just wanted to let you guys know. Excuses? You can say that. And Bald Argonian, thank you very much for following. Did you add fun to the game? I hope, man. This is basically a big test for me to gather one more round of feedback to know if the direction that the game is going in is the right direction. Okay, so that looks good. Let me play. And then we'll see. Oh, yeah. Let's play like it is real. Will we start with the Gothic game on Monday? No, obviously not. I'm gonna finish this game, sell it, and depending on how it sells, we're gonna do another game. And I'll most likely do a smaller game as the next game, short game, where the iteration for a first playable build will be, let's say, a month. After 1 month, I want to give you guys a playable build already. And then once we are done with that, we will work on releasing it. Do the steps for releasing a short game. I'm done making big games for now. I need one short game. See if it works. And also what happens if I do shift tab. It seems to work. Achievements. Okay, where do I see my stats? Looks good though. Is Tangy TD, Tangy 3D cancelled? What do you mean Tangy 3D? Okay, we got this. Looking good so far. Can place 2 of these now. Uh-oh, he's gonna... Oh no. Oh, thank goodness. Good stuff. Do you have an idea for the next small game? Yep, I actually do, but I'm gonna really reveal it later. Did you use any libraries for this game? Yeah, FreeType and S2B image, but I heavily recommend something like SDL or Raylib to make your first game if it's a 2D game. They can give you everything you need, and you don't have to worry about all of the different things that non-libraries When you don't have a library, you need to do everything yourself. Oh, toll. I lost a hero and I leaked. And that can be very... It can take a long time. You're free after 1 hour. Cake said 3 hours ago. Yeah, I'm sorry about... No, it wasn't actually 3 hours. It was 1.5 hours. You're lying, actually. Yeah, I leaked. We got the mage now. Now we got a first item for the mage too, bro. Nice. Couldn't you place the tree on the far right? Yeah, I should have, but the tree starts here to show that it dies fast. The tree starts here in the first map. That's for the story, basically explaining the game. Okay, so when we win this level and everything works, I hope, then I will press public demo. Okay, guys? Now, you can't be serious, man. I don't have enough money. All right, we'll put... I'm gonna get one of these. And then you're gonna get the ice barrier. I like that a lot. That one's cool. Kinda want another tree here. I think the tree is a little bit overpowered in this version, and... Yeah, well, if the mage had the awesome upgrade with the ruby necklace as well. But yeah. Damage area of effect. Let's see how that looks. Come on, attack him! Oh, they all attack him! No, they're supposed to attack the mage. Oof, I need to sell this guy. Come on, attack the mage now, guys. Please. There's no way. Oh, fine. Yeah, steady pause. I'm almost done. I'm just checking. This works. Mage armor. Yeah, it's supposed to, but yeah, it didn't activate because it didn't attack him. Oh, looking good. I got this one. So like, this is like trolling me right now because I had to. I have so many items I can drop, and I get the one item whose code I couldn't implement. Thank you very much, RNG. This is laughable, man. Works. Good. Okay, good. Okay, Mr. Sturdy Pose, are you ready? Are you guys ready to release receive the demo? Let me check if they answered me. Steam support. I don't think they answered me. They did not answer me yet, no? All right. It is time, my brothers. Tangy TD demo. Let's reactivate it. We need epic music for this. Wait. Oh, Sturdy Pose is there. Okay, I'll move you in a second, Sturdy Pose, okay? Just need to do epic music, because I'm proud. Where is it, though? There it is. Wait. It's time, my brothers! Ooh! Do I want to reactivate the demo? After 2 months of working hard on the demo, making it better. Getting hopefully fun in the game, huh? Changing everything. Back again. Woo! Hadouken! You guys ready? Down! Ooh! Boom! Please tell me it happens today, okay? If you tell me tomorrow, then I'm gonna be crying, please. Publish? Released? We done? Private window? Tangy TD? Steam. I'm not a robot. Oh my god, bicycles? You can't be serious. Ooh. Aha. I wish you good luck. Hopefully I don't get any crashes. Okay, Mr. Sturdy Post, you ready? Type 1 in chat if you're ready, Mr. Sturdy Post. The working hard part was off stream, right? Type 1, okay. Alright. And how do I do this? Hello?
Man, how long are you gonna take? Like, I'm waiting here 2 hours. I could have prepared, like, lunch tomorrow's meal. How long are you gonna take?
Sorry about that. I really want to implement that, but it didn't work. I'm sorry.
But let's stream it.
I'm excited to see you play. Hopefully, you have fun. You didn't watch the stream at all, right? You don't know the game at all, right?
Well, I watched streams, but I didn't play it at all.
Okay. So you do know a little bit. Oh, there's someone else is also streaming. Let's see here. Watch stream. Oh!
Do you see it? Yeah.
Yeah. Do we have sounds?
Let me check.
Nah, I don't hear anything. Maybe you can do application capture?
I think I'm doing that.
Guys, why don't I hear sounds? Make sure you haven't...
Can you hear it now?
Yeah. Awesome. Okay, wait. Before you play, my parents just came in here. So I need to say at least hello. Okay?
Yeah.
Give me 1 second. Sorry about that, guys.
Hello, chat. It's me and you. Type fuck cakes in the chat. Call him a clown. Fuck cakes based. I got chicken prepared. I got chicken in the oven, so I might quickly drop down there. Based chatters. Man, how long is he gonna take? I've already waited for him for like 2 hours. Is he gonna take another 3 of my life? Okay. Come on, Cakes, don't do this to me.
Okay. I am here. Okay, I'm back.
Hello, back. I'm Sturdy.
Okay, can you make the music a bit louder? Wait. Yeah, that's perfect. Maybe a bit loud, but yeah, that's perfect. Good. Okay, so this is Sturdy Post playing the game for the first time. I'll try not to say too much.
I need to press this button right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You can't see it. Wait, guys.
There might be some good indicator for that.
Indicator to play the back game. Yeah, I'll write that down. Indicator to press the play button, right? Let me see here. Okay, what are you doing? You're placing this here. Mm-hmm. You picked up the sun. Wait, feedback. So this is the first round of feedback. Today is the 2nd of May, 2025. So, ja, kannst du mir das machen?
Okay, this seems like a bug.
Yeah, this is an option that's supposed to be a different default option, but I guess it's not setting it. Okay, default option shows all stats. False, doesn't matter. It's egal. And then indicator for play button. Highlight. Okay, let's see. You guys following? Imager? Click the arrow on your face.
Before she
Okay, you stop. Ah, thank you guys. And then click that X as well. Okay, so this is still Sturdy Post playing. Do you have any questions so far? I guess not, right?
Not yet. There's really don't ask anything about. Oh, do you want me to critique sprites or are they just still placeholders?
Most of them are placeholders, but if you want to critique something, did it just lag for you?
No.
Okay, so then that was just the stream. So what do you want to say about the sprites then?
Maybe the Tenjis are too stiff. I think they should move while they're attacking and not only their hands. If you want to punch someone, you are like moving your whole body.
I can literally not understand you. Wait. Sorry, I could not understand a single word you said. Sorry, what did you say?
Wait, let me decrease the music volume there. So, if you want to punch someone, you are like moving your whole body weight to that, right? Like you are trying to move your whole body with the punch. Wait, give me a second. I've got the chicken in the oven and I need to pull it out.
Okay. Bro streaming from inside an industrial air vent. Yeah, like that was basically, yeah. Yeah, what am I supposed to do if all of a sudden there goes off this thing, man? What am I supposed to do here? He literally left the game running though, guys. It does crash for me on Linux. Can you do the same thing as before, free space? Link the game.log and make a post on Discord. This is how players play your game though. What? What do you mean, null exception? Let's see what he's doing here.
I guess these are important, so I'll move them out of the way. Yeah, there needs to be an indicator. I always forgot that I need to press this.
Yeah, there needs to be an indicator. I wrote that down on the start button. Maybe even after unlocking the tree. Indicator, play button, highlight, after tree unlock to. So, I want to see what he thinks. What are those stats, bro? Yeah, the stats, this is wrong. I don't know why. Uh-oh. Okay, at least he didn't go through.
Easy.
I can already tell something that you're not doing, but I'm not gonna say what it is.
Oh, I can't de-level. Oh, I can, but there needs to be also an indicator for that, that if you right click then it's removing the level.
Indicator for right clicking, but that should be indicator for right click, unspent skill points, and then orange tree skill tree can unspent grow oranges. Okay, there, you actually found a bug right now. You should not be able to respec the oranges.
Oh, I see.
It's interesting. I wonder when that will happen. But it's cool that you get the idea that you have to pick up the oranges. I like that. That seems to be obvious, right?
Yeah, that's kind of obvious.
Good. And you also picked up the money, which is also, I guess, obvious.
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
No, I think you're still fine. You probably played Bloons before. I mean, maybe.
I'm complete TD newbie.
You're complete TD newbie. Okay, that's good to have. Awesome, guys. What we are seeing right now is Sturdy Post playing the game for the first time, and he's watched some of the streams, but he's never played a tower defense game before.
Yeah, and I think the button to speed up the waves should be kind of different from this button, I think.
Speed up button should be... this is not the first time I got this. I'll think about it. Speed up button should be different from start button. Good stuff, thank you. Can you make the music a bit louder again?
Well, you won't be able to hear me then, right?
I will. I just couldn't hear you before. Not because of the music, but because my wife was using the blender in the kitchen.
Ah, I see.
Told you so? Yeah, but I'm still reluctant to do it. Interesting. I'm not gonna tell you anything, and I really like what I see right now. Very cool stuff. Guys, there's one glaring thing that I found out that he's doing. Interesting. Very cool. Thank you very much for doing this, Sturdy Post, man. Thank you!
Oh, no worries.
What a nice
If
post.
you told me that it's not gonna take an hour but 3 hours, then it would be a different story.
Yeah, sorry. Good stuff, man. This is a more difficult wave. Oh, I see. So you did know that you can upgrade units.
Well, after left-clicking it, I didn't know that you can choose between different options like right-clicking and left-clicking.
Mm-hmm.
But I think there should be also kind of indicator here, either a tab.
How to open skill tree or...
Yeah. And not like different contextual menus.
He lost an orange, yeah he did.
Oh,
but hey, so far he's doing good. He didn't leak once yet. And he's spamming oranges. So what do you think so far? Is it boring or fun?
It's kinda okay.
Okay, that's good.
I don't really like that.
Kinda okay, guys. Hmm? My demo has units unlocked, Cakes? Deleting the save files didn't work. Null exception, are you in the test build? Kinda okay equals polite for boring as fuck. I mean, it could be, you know. That's true. First level is rather long in my opinion. Is there a power-up or a skill to auto-loot the oranges? Sorry, yeah? Study post?
Also, Cakes, when I open these items, do I get a chance to like buy them, or are they automatically included for each of my unit? I can't tell.
You can tell if they are. Yeah, I don't think I can communicate that better. It's basically a permanent unlocking of the item. Now that it's like finding the blueprint for the item. And so now you can always upgrade it on a unit. But I don't know if I could communicate that better.
I see. Certainly what I would add here is that if you want to buy this item, then there should be like a price tag for like in Tangerines. How much are you supposed to like pay for each unit? Or is it fixed?
This is free
like
now.
120. Oh, so
Yeah, yeah, you found it in a chest. You don't have to buy it because you found it in the chest.
I see.
Yeah,
So-
and I don't know if I can communicate that better because you opened the chest.
Wait. So I've opened the chest, and now if I press on this, then it's for free or for 120 tangerines?
It costs 120 tangerines to upgrade it on the unit, to buy the upgrade. Unlocking, you just unlocked the item permanently. You found it, essentially. You found the blueprint.
Oh.
He's
I
saying
think you'll need a deck for that. This is, yeah, confusing.
Yeah, I don't know how else to do it yet. Good job, Cakez. Game runs really good. Stable so far on Link's machine. Okay. Thank you. He's saying, tell the player it's going to cost 120 when they want to put it on a Tangy. So what is your confusion here, Sturdy Pose?
So, my confusion is that it's not automatically putting it on the Tangy,
Yeah.
but that it's like unlocking the item and you get an opportunity to buy it later.
Yeah. Yeah, this is not the first time I hear this. How else would you do it?
Put the
'Cause it's
text
like-
for that, or some kind of different indicator. I think you'll need to test it out. No, my tree!
Maybe equip button. Open the chest. When opening the chest, name it weapon recipe. Then you understand you can make it, but you can't have it. Should I call it recipe, guys? But then the menu needs to be different. It needs to look like a blueprint. When can I play? Is there a link to the Steam page? Do exclamation mark demo. I should probably put it in the title now.
And it seems like the... Oh, it's the end. Alright.
Oh, so it's behind for you. Hover over this again. The stars.
Oh, the stars? Yeah.
That's behind for
Let's see
you.
your
So there's a UI bug. Okay. Thank you.
Another thing which I noticed might be a bug is that you wrote there that the closer the trees are to the road, the more Tangies you are supposed to do, but it seems like both trees are giving me 14 Tangies.
No, I didn't actually do that. Someone suggested that, but I thought it was weird that if you put the tree next to the road, it would give you more oranges. Because that's not how trees work. If anything, that would give you less oranges because it's closer to the road.
No, I think it's supposed to be closer to the road because it's a more high risk thing. The closer to the road is.
So that's an idea then.
Enemies can attack it, and therefore it's more risky to have it there. But if it's more away from the road, then enemies do not have opportunity to destroy the tree. So there are not Tangies there. And what do I get?
You didn't. I mean, you got decently lucky, I guess.
And next thing, man, you gotta fix this scout hut. It's so bad.
So I put it on the list. Fix house in town.
Yeah.
Let's see.
But enemies move faster.
I just had crash and challenge mode for the first level. Round 11, all of the blue mice started dropping chests. Yeah, I need to disable the challenge mode and do another update right now. I'll need to do this right now. View map ID.
This seems better.
I need to put this here so I can see what you're doing. Story map. I need to disable the
This
button.
seems bugged. Why is the mouse here with the indicator?
Yeah, wait. I'll write that down as well. If didn't click on Tangy in town. Right click shows up on UI. Thank you very much, Sturdy. It's another one.
And I see I can upgrade different Tangies after the level. That's cool.
Okay, so I need to quickly do a push because someone found the bug. And I don't want that to be available yet. Okay, level 2, interesting.
Oh. I see.
I like that you understood it. Awesome. Really cool. You see this, guys? He understood the mechanic. Awesome. Cool. Yeah, if you had placed him there, he would have been attacked and died. Good stuff. It's working well so far. I'm happy. I mean, obviously I get a lot of feedback with crashes and stuff not working, but hey, that's awesome. Now I wonder how he's doing that. That's interesting.
Let's go for a Giga economy. Oh no, am I leaking?
Cool. The sound effects really help with the oranges.
Yeah, otherwise I wouldn't notice them at all.
Yeah. That's good that I put them in. Awesome. Okay, 1 second.
I like the fact that you've got like these static enemies here and then they are the part of the wave later on.
You like that? Yeah?
Cool.
Cool. I hoped that people would like this, actually. Okay, you might actually leak here. This one's difficult to beat. Yeah. I mean, it is a reasonably difficult level, this one. Yeah, and obviously this I need to make the stats better, but I have this already written down.
Yeah.
Let me see here. I'm uploading new build, guys, so that it fixes the issues with the endless level. Come on. Yes, upload. Good stuff. Publish. Okay, so that fixes that. Okay, guys, I'm publishing a new version here right now. That makes it so that you cannot no longer engage with the endless level. Because you should not be able to do that. Let me read chat for a second. Any updates? And Snowsy Postal, Tape Ludo, Line Maker, thank you guys for following. Cheat Engine does brr. What engine are you using? C++, no engine. How long is the demo public for? A day. It will be public for a day. You can just kill that thing and restart the level and keep the new unlocked guy. Yeah, that's supposed to be. You're supposed to keep it. Why only 1 day? The reason why is because I want to gather fresh stats from a playtest. Steam stores the stats for how long people play. And the only way for these stats is to go up. You can only increase the stats. Because if someone plays it for 10 minutes the first time, then they play it for 10 minutes again. That's 20 minutes, but in total they actually only played 10 minutes each version. So the only thing that I can do is have a new app ID on the store. People play that new app ID and then they I'm looking at 30 posts dying right now, so... Oh my god, he's gonna get destroyed! No! 30 posts! Oh!
Come on! Aizen! There's no chance I'm winning this, right?
It's permanent, holy orbs. Yeah, it's permanent. Read my previous message, you haven't. I'm seeing some strange bugs where I can see rats with a bunch of vertical colored lines and numbers on the top right. I don't see a screenshot tool. Don't have a screenshot tool at the moment. Ah, that's a different option. Ah, that sucks. Yeah, wait. I know why that is. It's because of the config ini file. Yeah, I need to delete the... Oh, this guy is trying to... Okay, he's taking over the map. Aha. Interesting strategy, sir.
Okay, this seems like the way to go.
Aha, I have never seen anyone do that. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I need to fix config any stuff. It needs to be deleted as well. I need to delete the config as well. By default, delete config. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you guys for the feedback. Oh, sorry, shit. Yep, like that. The button to speed up the game is behind me, yeah. That's why you can't see it. Some enemies got a wishlist flag, particle on dev. Posted a clip in the feedback section, Cakez. How? A wishlist flag particle? Huh? Corrupted Atlas? Yeah, but how? I uploaded a new Atlas. So you're doing much better this time. Uh-oh. Never mind. Okay, these guys are strong. They are tough. Feedback section, yeah. Discord. You can also do feedback from within the game, Baltar Gronian. There is... I'll quickly show you. Let me see here. No, wait. Huh? What the hell? Oh, wait. If you open the game and you click quit, you can do feedback here that brings up Google Docs if you want to. Otherwise, you can do Discord. Okay, looks better.
Why is the damage decrease like increasing or decreasing? I don't understand.
Yeah, it's difficult.
What's the damage supposed to be?
It goes, well, it's... I don't know if I can I should probably explain that, but something that is difficult to understand here. Basically, on your global damage, it applies a minus 50% debuff when using this, because otherwise the ability is OP. And when you level it up, it goes to minus 40%. So you're getting 10% more damage when you upgrade it.
Yeah, this needs to be... I see that it's somehow here explained that it's increasing there, but
yeah.
I think it needs a better explanation.
I don't know if I can do that. I'll try my best, but you know, it's difficult to actually do that. Obviously, I will try. Congrats, 3 weeks to my demo, and I'm sweating bullets. Hey, my man, Viking, thank you very much. You can do it, bro. And you know, if you want, link your demo when you're done. You know? Yeah, this map is hard. This map's difficult to do. Yeah, especially those blockers. Yeah, it's a difficult map. Maybe it's a bit too hard. But you're not gonna lose.
Oh, I don't think so.
No, you're not gonna lose. So I think that's still fine. You don't have to perfectly win the level. But you definitely didn't go for economy, right? Which is now showing.
Nope.
Yeah, you're getting a mage item, which you don't... Yeah, you can re-roll. If you want to. But it costs money. Yeah, so now you're starting to lose your tangerines.
I think the healing part is way too expensive.
You think it's a bit too unforgiving?
Yeah.
I'll think about it again. Like if I keep getting the feedback, the healing with self-healing, using oranges is a bit weak. Maybe. It's difficult to say, you know, from one person's feedback, but I can see what you mean. Oof.
Yeah,
Damn.
this is way too unforgiving.
Okay.
Let's try a different strategy.
Okay, I thought that level 2 was too easy. Maybe it's actually too difficult. Oh, this guy's gonna go for farming. Holy moly. Big money.
Let's try to spam this here in the end. This guy can go here.
Oh, you're actually getting the spot that... Oh, 4 times? Damn. This guy's going for the big money. Damn. You see that, guys? 4 oranges. But it's awesome. Thank you very much for playing, man. It is such insight, such great insight. Interesting. You go over tangerines. You go. Wait. You prioritize tangerines over upgrades so far.
Yeah, seems
But
like
it's
it's
actually...
way too low for now.
Hmm. I mean, it definitely works out in a way. Like, you're still leaking, but you're going for maximum economy, which is what should happen, in my opinion.
Alright, let's try this thing.
Oh, you're actually out of range from the other guy. You're still hitting him. Oh, not bad. Actually good. Damn. Okay, you leaked 1, and he's gonna destroy 1.
This seems strong.
I noticed that you always skip the animation, which I guess is a good thing to have, huh?
Yeah.
The unlock animation.
Area of effects, armor. Does the shield orbs count to area of effects?
Give me 1 second. Cakez demo crashes if I do Alt Enter to switch window. Thank you very much, Jörn Games. I appreciate that. I'll write that down. Thanks, bro. Sorry, what did you ask?
Does the shield orbs count to the area of effect?
Shield... Oh, I think it does, yeah. It should, actually. Let me check in code. But yes, it should. If not, then it's a bug. Because shield orbs deal AoE damage. Let me find that. Shield orbs. Missile. Render quad, glow. Missile collider. Oh, it's a rectangular collider. On the shield. Missile red collider. Where's the red collider?
I think I'm doing way better than before.
Okay, it's not scaling, but it should. Shield orbs should scale with AoE. Thank you, man. Yeah, they should scale with AoE. Awesome! You just made the game better. Oh, he hit him through the trees. Damn. You gotta get the healer. This time it is. This time you get it. Ay, you're gonna lose another one, are you? Oh, that hurts. Oh, yeah, okay. I wonder what you think about that. Like, to be honest. What do you think about...
Enemies attacking Tangis? I think it's quite a cool span. I don't mind it.
And what about losing the tree just now?
Well, happens, I guess. But I think the strategy is to keep your weaker guys closer to the road, so the enemies target the weaker guys and the stronger guys are just bashing the skulls.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Seva, that's actually a live playtest. I think you're right. Cakes, is this a video live? Because if it is live, I highly recommend not interacting with playtesters while playing. So, am I doing it wrong yet? Like the way am I talking too much a little? What do you guys think? Am I explaining too much? I know what you mean, because you want them to fail, essentially, right? I should mute and let him play. I should mostly just observe. Okay, I'll try to be more quiet. When people know you're watching, they won't give proper advice and critique. I think you did give decent advice already.
Yeah, but trees being one hit kill is brutal.
You shouldn't talk at all, just observe. You should have him mute you.
Oh, finally.
You're boosting his morale as well by making comments on his strats. Normally they will rage. I see. Okay, I see. Yeah, thank you guys. Wait, tons of config ini files? Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, in your files there's Cakez 2 header, and why is that?
Yeah, the Cakez 2 header. Yeah, I know. That's something I still have to remove. Normally you should not talk to them, but this is a stream, so it would be boring. You can talk, but the players should not be able to listen to you. Okay.
Why the more expensive?
I'm gonna mute myself a little bit. Steady pause.
Sure.
Mute. Okay, I'll do it like this, and he can talk. It's not good testing practice. Yeah, okay, I mean, we can learn from that, right? Okay, so we have multiple config ini files. Do I have that too? Don't tell me I have that too.
No, this is bad strat.
Congrats on demo release, thank you. I suspect level 2 is too hard. Okay, maybe level 2 is too hard. I'm gonna quickly unmute and tell him if he has any comments. Interesting. He's going for this now.
Maybe this is way to go. What do you think, chat?
What do you guys think? I'm on attempt number 6. Level 2 is way too hard. Okay. Okay, maybe it's actually too hard.
Yeah, this seems like... Now let's build economy.
The multiple config files went away when refreshing. Might have been file pilot acting all weird. Okay.
Hello, Raiders.
I mean, he's doing better. Oh, thank you, Raptor. Thank you very much, Raptor Games, for raiding. Hello, you guys. I really appreciate it. Welcome. We are currently having a viewer playtest my demo that just released for the Game Tangy TD game. If you guys want to test it out too. There it is. ! Game. It's been in development for almost 4 years, and I'm starting to get to the point where I want to actually sell the game. And so this is actually the third playtest that I'm doing. And I'm hoping that it will be one of the final ones before we do a demo page. So if you guys have any suggestions or you want to try it out, today's the chance. Is my case normal? Shade 11, actually, you should not have that, but maybe you are in the playtest branch. Check that you are not in the beta branch. I'm on level 3 and I don't have the plant. Can you please delete your save, your entire directory? Interesting what he's doing. An option for the game to auto-pause when it loses focus would be nice as a toggle. Thank you very much for following Raptor Games and poor boy Tech as well. I've played the second level 10 times. So what if, when you fail level 2, it prints a hint about using healers?
Cakez, what the fuck? What the fuck is that?
What happened? Oh no, I wasn't paying attention. What happened?
Single rat kills my whole camp.
Wait, that should not happen.
Like the boss rat.
Yeah. Wait, that should not happen. Silver rat loses game. Ah, I thought I did just got rid of that. Silver. Maybe it's because of mini boss.
Time for maybe one last round, and then I've got stuff to do.
Okay. So how long is that? 30 minutes. It's decent. Okay, that you would have played longer if that didn't happen. Thank you. Mini boss. Yep. Mini boss still one shots. Which it shouldn't. So how do we do that? We're just gonna remove this from here. Okay, I fixed that already. The balancing is absolutely insane, lol. It's a really fun game, but this is wild at level 2. Okay, I'm gonna mute myself again, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, so Sturdy Post stopped playing because he got one-shot by the Silver Rat, which I can totally agree with, sucks. Some feedback, the game runs super smooth, great work on the engine, no problem following the tutorial. I would put small purchase effects next to heroes when the mouse is close, like War Banner. My main issue is that the world setting. I play a lot of role-playing power fantasy, and I never dream about commanding veggies. He just said that he had to go, not because he got killed, right? Yeah, but what did he just say? Fuck. He said he had to go, but the reason why he has to go is because the game is not fun enough. If it was really fun, he would try to stay longer. That's just the way it is. Okay, which is fine. Yeah, I know, but still. No, guys, that is how it is. Okay, if he had not died there, he would have gone to level 3. And now he lost a little bit of motivation. That's just what it is. Nice reasoning. Oh my god, that's how it is. You stupid. His chicken is going cold. Yeah, real life pauses for Sturdy Pause if he's having fun gaming. Yeah, of course, everyone does that. Let's say he was playing Elden Ring.
I'm gonna insta-die to the rat again. Thank god.
He would let his chicken go cold. I'm stupid, please don't bring it up.
Oh, I see. Oh, this is Giga.
Units dying is really frustrating. You don't even earn enough money to keep progress. The level wouldn't be as difficult if you earn more money. But you're always choosing between repairing your killed units or trying to add new ones. All you can ever use the basic units, the 2 ranged ones, don't really add much at all. They are too expensive to be reliable. You can't buy trees because your money units to survive. Thank you very much for the feedback, man. Okay, ja. Ich bin gleich da. Ich bin sofort da. Warte. Bisschen noch. So. There we go.
There we go again.
Okay, guys, I will have to talk to my parents in a bit. And I might have to do it that Zakaza plays tomorrow. Because we are already at 4 hours. It's my fault. I'm still playing Cakez. That's awesome. Thank you very much for the feedback. You need to set expectation for the player. If you're supposed to die, roguelike or whatever.
It doesn't even make any sense. It's better just to sell off the 10G and then just buy a new one.
Oh, thank you very much for the comment, Sturdy. That's a good comment. Repair doesn't make sense.
Yeah, these are extremely strong.
Better to sell than to repair. You just said that it's better to sell rather than repair, right?
Right.
Okay, thank you. That's good feedback. Yeah, so Zakaza, is it okay if you play tomorrow? You still here? Yeah, there's a healer, but the feedback, I'll have to think about the feedback, yeah. Can we implement power creep next level? It's kind of hard. Next, these levels are kind of hard. On a real note, the levels seem to get too hard too fast. Make the levels longer and easier so we can have more content. Yeah, I'll think about that too. Like, this is good stuff, guys. I'm struggling to get all of the feedback, but I'm just gonna have to, I guess, watch the VOD again after this. I'm trying to write it all down. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna let, hopefully Zakaza is up to it, let him play tomorrow, and if someone else wants to play tomorrow too, would be awesome. And since then, if you could collect some of the feedback on Discord, here, in game feedback, if you make posts,
yep,
that would be great.
Damn.
Okay, you lost again, and so this is the time when you stop, right?
Right. Yeah, I've got stuff to do.
Okay. Any closing words you have, or maybe you want to write down something later? Anything you want to say?
I think I will write down something later. I think sprite work needs something done, but it seems like I might have been too harsh in the chat. But seems like the game is more fun than I expected to. Yeah, few bugs need to be done, but I think the biggest work you're going to face is the sprite work. It needs to be polished.
Yeah, it needs to be consistent, right?
Yeah.
It's not consistent.
No, why am I? I'm not lying. Try it out yourself.
Okay.
1 out of 10 rating. I don't know. If it were like $5 game, then it would be solid 8. But for $10, which you are planning, then it's gonna be like 5.
Okay. Yeah, I mean that's why I'm not there yet. That's why I'm doing these playtests. I think the theme of the game is the only thing that might affect this game and the appeal. You're not really fulfilling a power fantasy for players. I would embrace the wackiness of the orange theme. Good job, Cakez. Yeah, I think the orange theme is the one thing that's holding it a bit back. Colonel J, thank you very much for following.
What I would also add is maybe some more player involvement, if you know what I mean. Not only by just placing different 10Gs on the map and giving them different abilities, but make player feel like a god. For example, if you've played League of Legends, I remember that, and you got the summoner spells there, like flash, fire, teleport, and something like, and shit like these.
That's
then
actually planned. Sorry.
Yeah, okay, I see. Then like something like summoner spells. where you
Active abilities is what you mean, probably, right? Something that you can use. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Sorry.
Not only like from mages, maybe even don't add like mage abilities where the mages are doing stuff themselves, but for example have a mage there, unlock an ability, and then you've got this like toolbar of it where you can pick those abilities, and then the mages are doing it themselves. Hotkeys, I will add for more advanced players. So yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for playing. I would love to talk longer, but my parents had to come over. Sorry,
Yeah,
I
sure.
just
Happy
interrupted
birthday.
you, right?
No worries. Happy birthday and enjoy your birthday with your family.
Thank you, man. Thank you very much. Yeah, Zakaza, I hope it's fine if you play tomorrow.
I think
just
you should play Zaka. He's been waiting for 4 hours.
yeah, but I can't. Like my parents want to talk to me. That I would, but I just can't sit here and ignore them. They just came over, so that's why. I would love to though.
Well, alright.
If I had all day, I would like 5 people play. But yeah.
I see. Alright. See ya then. Thanks.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
thank you very much, Sturdy Post. I really appreciate it. Thanks for testing. See you later, bro.
See ya, bye.
Sit your parents down and have them check out the game. I would love, but yeah. So Zakaza tomorrow, I would have loved. This guy's playing balloons. It's insane. I'm gonna quickly be right back. Thank you very much for the feedback so far. If you again have feedback, crash on start on Linux. Yeah, I need to fix those crashes as well. Give me a second. Ja, ich bin jetzt fertig. Okay, I'm back. Wait, YouTube chat just died? He seems to be in full troll mode at the time? What? Actually, congrats on getting the demo out, Cakez. I'll be trying it later today. Have a good one. Thank you. Who is in troll mode? Rico? I see. Linux players will be like 2% of your player base and Proton and report 90% of the bugs crashes. Feedback doesn't work on Linux, but I guess that is already known since the Discord didn't work on the old version either. Yeah. Where is the... What just happened here? Huh? Goodness, man. Yeah, I do have problems, guys, with this game. Wishlist flags appear. Unable to find slot. Goodness. All of this stuff, guys, is probably because it's not deleting the config file in the save games properly. That's probably what it's doing. Can you guys all restart Steam and download the latest version of the game? And also, why do I not hear anything? Oh, I do. Yeah, it sucks, man. Like, that I don't have that much time today. It really does. Because I kind of need more time to do this playtest. But we'll extend this till tomorrow, okay? And this guy is also playing Tangy TD here. What does he say?
Wishlist.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Alright, let's see.
At least it works for him.
There's some spam. Oh no.
Cakez fucker.
Oh wow, the tutorial really forces me to place it here. Okay.
Of course I do. Because that's the best position, bro.
Max Bloom? Wait, there is no Bloom.
This music is awful. What are you saying, man?
There is no fucking Bloom.
You just told Necropolis AD that his music is awful, bro. What you doing? It's not awful. Latest version doesn't delete the save games, Cakes. It doesn't work. Save files. Wait, TCAP is playing Tangy TD.
Oh, I already have
yeah, I will.
Notice.
Okay, I would love to do more, but I have to go off here. It kind of bothers me, man, but fine. Guys, tomorrow we will do... Oh, I hate that, man.
For me to right click.
Hola amigos.
The tutorial forcing you to position.
Cakez. Cake sell.
How are you, sir? TCAP?
Yeah, but I can't fix the bugs, null exception. That's the problem. I cannot fix the bugs. That's what I mean.
Is there a button to purchase this? I need a button. Q1.
That's my gripe right now. Anyways, guys, I will send you over to Mr. TCAP. Thank you guys very much for joining. I will try to fix as many bugs tonight as possible. Get all of the feedback going. Maybe implement a better way to reload the save games. Thank you very much, null exception. I apologize if the game doesn't work right away. I'll try to fix it up until tomorrow. And then tomorrow, if you guys have, you know, Zakaza, if you want to play, if someone else wants to play, hit me up on Discord or write it in Discord so I know about it. We can definitely do that. And yeah, hope you have fun. Okay, for those of you that can't play, hope you have fun. I will play. Yeah, that would be awesome. And I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for the support, for, you know, the donations, the tips through Ko-fi and stuff. Thank you very much for the support. I really mean it. Means a lot to me. Hope you had fun today. Goodbye, guys. Peace.